Get it out of the way! God.
What idiots? Are they crazy?
I want you to know, if you've ever seen a show called Dance Moms, you wouldn't know me because I've never been on it.
Don't rush them! Stop it! Look at these two girls. They are not trash. I can tell you a few girls that are. You know what? Stop. Just let me do it. Oh my God. Jordan! Stop running!
Hello everyone, I am on Santa Monica Pier with the Ripka twins. Hi. To see how many awesome shots we can get in 10 minutes for the 10-minute photo challenge. Today's special guest, Abby Lee Miller. They're gonna do a 10-minute challenge with me. Abby Lee is gonna direct everything.
Whoa, wait a minute. In that outfit, you wanna work with me wearing that?
What's wrong with this?
I don't think so. Better. We still have to do something with those legs.
Before we could start, Abby Lee had to find us a timer.
Why can't he just get his own stopwatch? Why do we need somebody else? Well, first I have to find somebody that's dressed right, that's for sure. Hi, how you doing? Do you speak English? A little? All right, we need a timer for a video. There's a guy named Jordan Matter and two girls that are dancers, the Ripka twins, and we're gonna time them. Can you time us?
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, you're willing to do it? Yes? See, this is the kind of stuff that happens in Hollywood. You never know. Not only did I find beautiful timers, but I found two pink bikes that are gonna work great too. Come on, babe.
Yeah, Louisa, nice to meet you. Woo, you can do this. When I say go, we go. 1, 2, 3.
No. When I say go, we go. 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay, let's go. Come on, let's go this way. Everyone come this way.
No, girls, this way. Come on,
Abby,
this way.
Okay.
We're going right here to the dolphins.
All right, do something right there. I don't think we're allowed to do this.
Haste makes waste.
I don't think we're allowed to do this.
Haste makes waste. Oh, this is beautiful. Come on, get up.
Do it quick.
She's not getting up, get up. Head up high, heads front. She's got it.
How's that look, Abby?
Yes.
Got it, let's get out of here.
Yes, beautiful.
Yes, I nailed that.
Nailed
Look
it.
at me, I nailed it. Okay.
You didn't nail it, they nailed it.
Abby, are you able to do this? Is this too rough?
It's rough.
Okay, let's go back this way. Come on.
Oh my God, did I not say like 2 hours ago, it's really rough on the pier? Does anybody listen?
Oh, excuse me. Can I use this bench? Can I use this bench for a quick photo? Excuse me. Come on, Abby, we'll come over here. Come on, we gotta go. Hurry. I got you.
If you push this, I'll kill you.
I guess I can't push it. Okay, here we go. I was gonna push it, but okay.
Why are you out of breath already?
Okay, go when you're ready. I'm right here.
All right, you got it? All right, let's do this. Oh my God.
Wow.
All right, careful, she's gonna
Whoa.
lose it.
She's going over. Go back one more time.
Eyes up.
Go back and do it again, quick.
Don't rush them. Stop it.
If you could do this at your own pace, that would be fine.
Ladies, safety first.
Hurry.
You got it. Elbows, take it. Head front.
Should I take it? Should
Yes.
I take it? I didn't get it.
You didn't get it.
I'm just kidding, I got it.
I swore, and I never swear.
How's this hat look? Is it good on me? Do I look good in pink? All right, let's move on. Ooh, this right here.
Yes.
Yeah, you think
Telescope.
something with this work?
Yes,
Okay.
absolutely. All right, girls, simple, easy. We're gonna rest our backs. Up on it, on either side, step up on it. Put your feet in second, face it. Hold on and arch back, just nice and pretty.
Oh, okay, so is this my
Tighten
shot
your
right here,
knees.
Abby?
Yeah, tighten your knees, releve. Pretty, lock your kneecaps, lock your knees. Heads front. No tension in the neck, no tension in the neck.
That's good, that's
No
gorgeous.
tension, shut your eyes. Pretty,
That's gorgeous.
beautiful. Beautiful
Yeah.
shot, beautiful.
Abby, how's this going for you?
It's good if you would just quit breathing on me.
I have a breath mint. All right, let's go this way. Let's go over here. This kid has a dance shirt on. Can we borrow her for a photo?
Hi.
I want you to know, if you've ever seen a show called Dance Moms, you wouldn't know me because I've never been on it.
Okay, you're gonna get up on this bench and you're gonna face us and you're gonna just go like this and stick your hip out. Stand up, put your feet apart, put your hands on your hips, and throw your hip out there. Yeah, big smile.
And look over at me.
You look like a California girl.
Wait, Abby, stop
Yes,
right
you
there.
do.
Look at her. Stop right there and smile at her.
There you go, good girl.
Got it. Okay, let's move on.
All right.
Come on, Abby.
All right, let's go.
Excuse me, everybody. I need this space, if that's okay. Thank you. What are you gonna do here that makes it look really, really good? They're gonna do something great?
They can do whatever, you know, they're amazing.
Yeah. Abby, you're kind of in my shot there.
On the top, lock your knees, tighten your knees. She's lifting her hands up. Oh my God. You
That's
got it, you got it.
crazy. Look at this, that's amazing. Amazing.
You almost got kicked in the head, which would have been really amazing. Brilliant, girls, brilliant.
Way to go. We're nailing
Let's
this.
do a pretty little ballet step. We're gonna rest their bodies for a second.
Rest their bodies when they have 10 minutes.
I know,
What do you mean you don't rest their
but
bodies?
it's
Can we come over here?
important.
Come over
This
here.
is their career. Oh, he's gonna move the garbage can.
Get it out of the way!
What idiots? Are they crazy?
Help it up, help it up, help it up. Okay, that didn't work.
Different pose?
No more of that.
Okay, you're right, you're right. That was a bad decision.
Santa Monica owns that, not Jordan.
I just don't like that trash can shot. No, I don't like that shot. Come over here. No trash
Oh my
can.
God. Oh.
Excuse
my
me.
God.
Can I just borrow this space for 30 seconds for a photo? Thank you so much. We're doing a 10-minute photo challenge. They're gonna do something on this pole.
Switch hands. Can you use the backhand? Ready? Lock it. Lock it. Try to step on the pole.
Get it there! Yes! Got it. Whoa, that was hard for me.
I think you were a little far away, just to stick up for you. You were a little further away.
Go
than
away,
she
go
was.
do it again. Get better, get better. They're using the opposite
Yeah,
leg?
yeah.
Wait, is that okay?
Yes.
You can use the opposite leg? I've never known that.
These two can do anything.
Okay, I thought
Yes.
you always had to do that. Okay,
No,
I'm
you don't
learning
know
something.
anything about dance. When are you gonna realize that?
This is a big opportunity for you to be on my channel. Are you happy? Excited?
Wait, I'm on a channel in 134 countries, real TV, like for years.
You're right. Thank you for being on my channel, Abby.
1, 2, 3, hit it. Go, go,
Get
go.
it there, an inch, yes! Yeah! Give it up! Yes!
Touch your toes.
All right, ready?
Rest your back.
No rest for the weary.
We have to.
Hit it.
I like
All right, here
how
we go.
she gives us rest. It's good.
It's a 10-minute challenge, Abby.
Well,
it's
it's
not a 10-minute
television.
challenge with pausing or
It's-
resting.
it's-
Why are
it's
we
not
arguing? I don't
television.
want to argue. I love you. Give me a hug. Mwah. Okay, let's keep
Sweaty.
going. Abby, should we do a crowd shot? You guys want to do a big crowd shot?
Yes.
You get to be directed by Abby Lee Miller right now.
Here's what we're gonna do. Feet apart in second. Put your feet apart. We're gonna put our hands on our hips, and then I want all the guys to like make muscles. Like, yeah. Come on, Dad, you're still a guy. Even though your wife is telling you everything to do. Girls, you're gonna get in there, grab somebody's husband.
This guy's
Get that
taking a
guy
long
back
time.
there.
This guy's taking
Shh. Get back there. Right? Let's get a sexy pose.
We need muscles.
What?
Look at this. It's like that. It's that thing. Look at that. Oh, that kind of thing.
5, 6, 7, 8, smile. All right, let's go. Thank you.
Thank you, everybody. Way to go. Let's do it. Come on, keep coming. 115, Abby. We'll have 115 left.
Oh, thank God.
Each of you get in the trash can and arch backward together. It'll be beautiful.
Look at these two girls. They are not trash. I can tell you a few girls that are.
It would just be beautiful because of the pink and there's.
No, they are not getting in a trash can.
Yeah, that's a bad idea. Don't do trash. Well, who would think of trash? That's a terrible idea. Let's go this way.
How about this little fake palm tree?
Fake palm tree. Ooh, it matches their color just like I was thinking. Oh, that's beautiful.
Can you put your back against it?
No rush, but we only have 20 seconds, so.
Yeah.
You know.
5, 4,
Yeah.
3, 2, bigger smiles. 2, 1. Yes! Woo!
Yes! I did it! All alone! Yes! Way to go! That was awesome!
Well, you took forever on the fullback split. Why couldn't one do it and then the other one do it and you just put it together and edit it? Come on, Jordan. It's 2019, like figure it out.
I didn't even think of
Challenge
that.
over.
Challenge
Yes.
is over.
Aw, I want to take more pictures.
Oh, we have to use the bikes. The bikes, let's go. Let's go to the bikes.
We ran out of time. This isn't how it works, Abby. When we run out of time, the challenge is over.
I want the picture. I can get the shot. I mean, what are you thinking? Okay, I want to shoot the bike picture. It's gonna be adorable. So let's take the stuff out of the basket. Girls, grab a bike. Let's do pretty cute.
All right, why don't you each do a needle with your right hand on the left part of the, handlebar. All right, when I say 3, go. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, yeah, that was.
Stop. Just let me do it. Can we do a PK arabesque and just put both hands on the handlebar? Yes.
Oh, that is better.
5, 6, 7, up. And again, 5, 6, whack it up. 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8.
Oh, that was really good. That was better.
You can't do the same dance pose in every single thing that you do with every single kid.
You can't?
No.
Oh.
That whole fullback split thing, if you're gonna do it my way. Do it both hands. Do the head back, pull the head through. There's so many cool things you can do with that.
Do you want to do this again with me?
Have your people come on.
I don't have people. All right, everybody, thank you so much for watching that. Obviously, follow the Ripka Twins everywhere. I've shot them so many times. They are epic, so thank you guys. Also, I have to say a special thank you to Abby Lee Miller. Abby, thank you so much.
I want a funnel cake.
Abby? Abby!
I don't know about this.
Okay, this is epic if it happens. Whoa. Wow! Whoa, my God! This is madness. Hello everyone, I am in Huntington Beach with Macy from Dance Moms and Macy's basically twin sister, my daughter Salish. Now I bet there's a ton of people out there who would love to get dance lessons from Macy, so Salish is gonna do that for all of you today. Get out your pens, take notes, and leave a comment below telling us which was your favorite dance move. Enjoy.
Okay, so Salish, do you know how to do the hype? It's from Fortnite, and when people get a victory royale, they're like, oh. Okay, so anyways, the first thing you're gonna do is you're just gonna go here, and you're just jumping. So you jump, and then when you come down, you bend this leg and you swing it through. So it's like this. 1, 2, jump up and swing through. And when you get to go fast, it's like, whoa, 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 whoa. And then you can start moving your arm around like that. That's better. There's something called the savage face, and it makes all your dance moves better. And then you look right here, and you're like this. Like you do a crazy face, because then it makes your dance like come alive. So then you can be like something funny like that. So you look right at the camera and you're like, yeah, that's better. There, that's better, that's better. You start out like this. All you're doing is your legs are just going like this. Try that really fast. You're just going like this. It's kind of like a fish, like you're just flopping around. So your feet are going like this. So you go here, and then here, and then roll them through and bring it up. And then go here, and then you just repeat it. Out, roll it up. In, out, roll it up. And then you go really fast like this. Ready? 5 seconds, fast. 1, 2, 3.
2, faster, 3, 4, faster, 5, 6.
Do you know the backpack kid? Have you seen the guy in stores? And he's like this? Yeah? Hips are just going like this the whole time. They're just moving side to side. And then you go here, out, and then you reverse it. You go here, out. Oh, you're pretty good at this one. Yeah, and then can you go super fast? Super fast.
You have to grab your foot.
Okay, this foot or this one? Does it matter?
It matters if which one is your good leg.
I'll try this one.
You have to put your
So grab my ankle?
yeah.
Yeah?
Grab your ankle and then push your hips out a little bit, and then you bring your leg to your head.
To your head?
Yeah.
Is it like this?
Yeah.
You're super flexible. Did you know that?
Thank you.
Oh, wow. That was good. Okay, so what's your next move you're going to teach me?
Press handstand.
You sit on the ground. You come out.
Yeah, you want to hold it like that.
Okay.
And then you want to be able to press up from here.
Okay,
like
but
that.
with your legs up.
Yeah. And then you just
Go up. And then do you go all the way up?
yeah.
Oh, I did it!
Yeah.
I did it! This one you can't tell your dad about, okay?
Okay.
This stays between us.
Okay.
Do you know how to twerk?
Nope.
Face this way and put your hands on your knees. And then your butt is just going up and down. And go up and down. and then you go fast. You ready to go fast? And go up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Then you can start crossing your hands. Try crossing your hands like this. Two. Yeah. Okay, ready? Up, down, up, down, up, down.
Whoa. No. She's gonna try and break your record. Tune in on Thursday. Today, my dog Boomer is going on a series of dates with famous dogs to find his crush. Will it be true love or a total disaster? Hello. I don't think this is gonna work. All right. The next step would be for Boomer to meet Honeydew's sisters, and if they like him, I think they should go on a date. Honeydew, what about you? Whimper if you want to go on a date with Boomer. Okay, Boomer, we're about to meet Honeydew's sisters. If they like you, go on a date. Ooh. I don't know what they're saying, but that doesn't sound good. Okay. Maybe a dog with no sisters. Oh, look at how sweet this dog is. Are you Nova? Hi. I think they need something to bring them together. I'm gonna do for their compatibility test a couples photo shoot. How hard could this be? Whoa, okay. Okay, lights over here. You guys need to know your mark, okay? You stay there. I'm just gonna get a good, okay. Nova, sit right here. This is harder than I thought. Boomer!
I'll show you how it's done.
Okay, maybe it's not a match.
They like each other. Look at that. Oh my god.
No way!
I think they're gonna get along great. Millie is pretty picky about her boys.
Boomer has not matched with anyone yet.
Oh, well, I think this one's gonna work.
Well, it's important for them to be able to keep up with each other, so for the first compatibility test, we're gonna do a race.
All right, in 3, 2, 1, go!
Come on, Boomer! Come on, Boomer! Oh, it's gonna be close! It's gonna be close! Yes! That was so good! Wait, they both went to you? What? Well, I think this is going great.
They are really cute
They
together.
are, they're awesome.
But there is one more thing that Millie loves to do,
Okay.
and it's to swim in the pool. So if Boomer can do that, I think they would be the perfect match.
What if he can't? Hey, Boomer, you know how to swim? Okay.
Okay, I'll be on the other side. You ready, Millie?
Ready, miss?
Go!
Okay.
Good girl! Come
Okay.
here!
Okay, look, I'm obviously not gonna force you, but do you wanna go in? Go in!
Come on, Millie girl! Trick! Good girl!
Whee! Look, there she goes.
Good girl! Come here, Millie!
Go in, jump in. No, Boomer.
Good girl! Oh, good girl! You did it! Good girl, Millie! Where's Boomer? I guess he doesn't like to swim.
I finally figured out the problem. Boomer needs a new look. That's right, everybody. Boomer's getting groomed. Oh my God. This is the last date, so we're gonna really go all out and give you a candlelight dinner for two, very romantic, with the one and only Callie.
Hi guys.
Hey, Simone, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good.
Are you excited for your little date?
He's very excited, can you tell?
I'm excited. This is gonna be Callie's first date.
Awesome.
All right. I'm gonna get her dressed and we'll see you at dinner.
Awesome. I'm gonna get him dressed. Are you guys ready? Tonight's first course is homemade pasta with pumpkin sauce. Here's some pumpkin. And they really want to get a room, maybe. Okay. Okay. All right, here we go.
Do you like your pumpkin?
Yeah. There we go. It's so sweet.
We just got you groomed and you have pumpkin all over your face.
Hey, look, Callie, let's just not, I don't think he likes that so much on the first date. Oh, the chef brought over a special something. It's a little peanut butter on your pasta. Oh yeah, now they're going to town.
We trying to get your camera and get photos.
Hold on, Boomer, just stay right there. I think this is going well, as long as they don't get too close. Yeah. Yeah, see, I don't think Boomer likes it so much. Whipped cream pie.
This is Callie's first time having whipped cream, and I'm glad she likes it.
Let's see what happens if we move them a little closer together.
Very touchy.
I need a photo.
They have it on their face.
Okay, I think they've probably had enough whipped cream.
They look like they're in love. Aw, they're so cute.
Aww. It was like they looked at each other and then they had to look away real quick. It was too intense. No, they are crushing. Well, I think that went very well, especially given what happened when they first met. Thumbs up if you want to see a second date, because you never know what's going to happen. Hey everybody, I am Jordan and this is my wife Lauren, and we are on the Santa Monica Pier at Pacific Park to celebrate the lip gloss launch of Sincerely Yours exclusively at Sephora. And what's super cool is we have gathered a ton of people who are all Team Jordan. Wait, I thought you guys said you were Team Jordan. Are you Team Salish? Yeah! Okay, so does that mean you guys want to, I don't know, hear from Salish or me? Yeah! Oh, you want to hear from Salish? Okay, do you guys out there want to hear from Salish? We are about to have the most amazing hour with you guys. We've got a lot of special guests planned, a lot of fun stuff to do, some games, so stick around. But right now, let's see what Salish is up to. She's up there.
Hi guys, it's Salish. I really appreciate you guys joining this live, and we're gonna have so much fun, but I'm gonna take a ride really quick and then we'll get started.
You can cue him.
All right, let's go! Hey! Woo! Okay, am I on? Hi guys! It's Salish, thank you guys so much! Oh my God! Hi guys! Whoa! That was kind of crazy! My hair is so crazy! Oh my gosh! That was so fun! Now we're gonna get started!
Alrighty.
Alright, let's go! Hi guys! Hi! Peyton? I think she's down there somewhere. Thank you guys for coming! Hi guys! Yes, let's do it!
Guys, I can picture too. Wait,
Thank you! Thank you! Are you okay?
she's so. Alright, ladies.
Are you okay? Are you sure? Can I have a hug? Thank you so much for coming. Thank you. I'll see you guys later, okay? Thank you guys. Sorry, I stepped on your foot. All right, guys. Bye. Hi, guys. Hi. Oh my God. Guys, this is so insane. Wow. This is so crazy. Hi.
Dragon.
Hi guys! hug. Yes.
Sorry,
Thank you. Yes, I will thank him today, okay? Oh my gosh. That's crazy. Do you have this?
Can me and my cousin please have a picture?
Sorry, that's kind of bad. Thank you. Thank you guys. Thank you guys so much.
Guys, please.
Thank you so much. Thank you guys. Hi guys. Thank you so much. I'll do it right after. Oh my God. Hi. Thank you. You're so beautiful. Hi guys. Thank you so much. Hi guys. Hi. Yes, of course, right after. Thank you so much. Thank you guys. Hi. You're so pretty. I love that shirt. Thank you guys. Hi guys. Picture with you. Of course. Yeah.
Do you mind if I hug you a bit?
Can I hug you? Yeah. Oh my God. Thank you. Thank you guys. Hi guys. Can I hug? Oh my gosh. Nice to see you guys again. Hi. I'm so good. Thank you. Hi. Nice to see you. Yes. Oh my gosh. Nice to see you again. Hi guys. You guys look so pretty. You guys all look gorgeous. Sorry?
Where'd you get your top?
White Fox. Thank you so much. Thank you guys. Hi guys. You guys all look so good.
Hey guys, we're gonna take a picture. Picture right here.
Group photo, everyone. Say sincerely yours. Yeah. All right. Let's go, guys. This is Julia, our amazing CEO. Let's give it up for Julia. Hey. All right.
Thank you, Salish.
Thank you.
My best friend is your biggest fan.
That's so cool. Thank you. Tell her I say hi.
Thank you, Salish, for doing this.
Thank you. Thank you, guys. Thank you, guys. Yeah, of course. Thank you guys so much. Have a nice day. You're so pretty. Thank you. Hi. Hi, Chloe. How are you? Nice to see you again.
Nice to see you. Are you ready for this ride?
I'm so excited. Are you ready?
Okay, we're ready.
We got this. Hi,
Okay.
guys.
Stand up and go next to me. Here, you want to sit here? Okay. Okay.
Hi. All right, let's do it. How are you guys feeling? Are you excited? Yeah. Are you excited? Yeah. Woo! Are you excited to ride this?
Yeah!
Are you scared?
No!
No. All right, we got this. Can I high fives? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Hey.
Let's get ready to ride the ride then.
Woo!
Alrighty, let's do it.
The things I learned. Okay,
Oh, 41's the new thing, huh?
let's be secure. Are we good? Are we
guys
all
good?
secure?
All right, guys, ask questions. Any questions, and Rowan will read them in.
I'm reading the questions, so if you guys type in the chat, I can read them.
Ask any question.
What's your question? Is Nadal here?
Nadal is here.
Okay, you guys are gonna see Nadal in a little bit. After this ride, you're gonna see Nadal.
Yeah. My dad? I'm not sure. He's somewhere over there. Yes. What? Really? That's so nice. Yeah. Oh my gosh, timing! Woo! You guys hit it higher than I thought. Woo! Oh my gosh, I can't hear you. Are you excited?
All right, Seth. People are asking. People are asking, why is Santa Monica Pier your favorite place?
Santa Monica is my favorite because It's the first place I've ever filmed. I am going to
Wait, we definitely needed another seatbelt. That was so much higher than I thought.
I feel like we should have another seatbelt. No.
All right, we made it. Guys.
Yeah, the back is so scary.
Big celebration.
Oh my gosh. We definitely needed another seatbelt.
Definitely. Like, I feel like I could have climbed down up here pretty easily.
Nice to see you. Oh my god.
I know, that was pretty fast.
Okay.
All right, well, the question I was trying to ask.
I think we're gonna figure it out. Let's see what else she has to do.
Is that fun?
Yes, let's see. Is that what you said?
Again? We gotta go. You guys can ride it again.
You guys can do it again.
It's safe. Hey,
Wait,
safe.
I'm good.
Guys, we're gonna go to the Ferris wheel and we're gonna see Nadal right now.
Okay, cool.
So we're going to the Ferris wheel, but you can say bye to the girls. You can say bye to Chloe.
Come on, guys. Bye, guys. Come here.
Wow.
Bye. Bye, guys. Bye. Thank you, Chloe. Nice to see you.
Nice to see you. Oh my god.
Hi, guys. Hi.
Good.
Hi, guys.
I have a question.
What? Oh, I'm so sorry.
Salish or Sato?
Oh, I'm not sure.
All right, Say, ready?
Yes.
Okay. We're going right here.
Hi, guys.
Okay. What do you want to tell the chat, Say? What do you want to tell the chat?
I don't know. What's the thing you tell them? I don't think I've ever been on one.
What I'm wondering is where is everyone from? Because they could be watching this. They could be watching this from anywhere.
What time is it?
What time is it where you are? Thank you, Kim. We're about to go to the Ferris wheel. We're about to go to the Ferris wheel and see Salish's best friend, Nadal.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Alrighty, we're in here. Let's go.
Look at who we're waiting for over here.
Needle, get over here, bro. Let's go, Needle.
They're not making it clear where I'm supposed to go. What's up? Hi. Oh.
Needle, we're on live, by the way.
Wait, can I just push these? Okay. Well, I don't know. I don't want to break it.
Holy Jordans.
Oh my God. You don't like them?
No, I like them.
Guys, safety, remain seated. Please keep these doors closed and do not rock or shake the car.
Thank you, of course.
Okay, amazing. Understood. I just want to wait
Oh, God.
until he's got the camera set. Thank you. All right, guys.
Yeah.
Nadal, what have you been doing? Like, what's been happening?
They're not guiding me anywhere. Like I've been out there for 30 minutes and they're like just waiting.
Anyways, do you want to ask how the live is doing? I've been asking.
Oh my God, how's the live doing? Wait, is there any chat or anything?
Yeah, there's a chat. Right
There's a chat.
Let's ask questions.
Right here, guys.
Chat. Oh my God, I'm gonna start saying chat.
Oh my God.
Right here, you can read questions.
All right, guys, you should ask questions.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Okay, you pick one.
Wait, who gave you the followers? What?
Oh, we're gonna keep that one a secret. Needle knows.
What about? Oh no! I can't read any of these comments.
What?
Bro, look what they're all saying.
What?
No,
Point to one.
Look. Oh.
Needle. Everyone's saying Needle.
Oh no.
Guys, ask questions
What's
if you
up,
would
guys?
like to.
Here, guys.
6, 7. All right, I gotta stop. Why? Oh my God, this place is packed, bro.
This is so cool.
Wait, so like there's a live stream, this is not a YouTube video, so that none of this can
we're
get
kinda
clipped.
high up.
Yo, it's kind of going fast.
We're getting high.
Woo! Oh my God.
There's so many people. This is crazy.
Bro.
Guys, wow.
The place is packed right now. Holy
Alrighty.
God. All right, what are we gonna talk about?
I don't know.
It's kind of cold up here. I'm not gonna lie.
How many times do you guys think you've been here to Santa Monica Pier?
Probably like 50. At least.
Probably like 6 or 7 times. Oh my God.
Okay, I wanted to play this game, so I've seen this on TikTok. Have you seen it where you say wow, okay in 4 different ways?
Oh yes, yes.
Okay,
All right,
wait.
so you say wow, okay, supportive, and then you say wow, okay, like sarcastic, and you say wow, okay, like mad. And,
okay.
you know?
Yeah, like disappointed, and then flirty is the last one.
Okay.
Okay?
Ready?
So Nadal, you go first.
Wow, okay.
What did you say? Like, which one was that? Was that
wait,
supportive?
oh, I'm so, okay.
Say supportive. Just
Supportive.
Wow, okay.
I was
Wait.
so sarcastic there.
All right, now
Wow,
what's yours?
okay.
What's your supportive wow, okay?
Wow, okay. That was so good.
That sounded more
Ask the
exciting.
chat, was that good?
That was good. All right, next one.
No, chat, that was more
I
exciting.
am disappointed. What's the next?
Wow, okay.
Next one, disappointed, yeah.
Wow, okay.
Say it to Salish.
Tell me something. Wow,
You're
okay.
stupid.
Wow, okay.
Oh, I have one. You're not a good flipper.
Wow, okay.
Dang. All right, ready?
All right, ready? 4th place medal is all you can hold?
Oh, you should tell them what happened.
Oh my gosh, when I first got here, they were playing Everybody Shipping Us.
Oh my, I swear to God. Bro, I walked in and that's all I heard.
No, like when I got here, they went so high. I was like, we need a new ox.
Bro, wait, you were here that early?
I was here, I got here like, I woke up at like 6 and I got here at like 8.
Hey, I don't know
9.
if it's just me, but it's freezing.
It is really cool.
It's really cold.
Well, you and your jorts are cold.
No, I mean, how are you not cold? Look at the shirt you're wearing. I'm cold with this shirt.
If only I had a jacket to give you.
If only she had a jacket, she'd give me. I'm cold. She's not cold.
That's not how it works.
Are you cold?
I'm cold.
I wish I had a jacket to give.
Okay, the next thing is, I saw this trend where people they try to do the smallest smile. Okay,
that
so
mean?
watch, let me demonstrate. You guys, you put your head down, and then when you look up, you have to do a small smile, right? Okay, now you have to try. No, you go. Actually, no. Say it. You go first.
Yeah.
All right, look down, look up, and then this. It has to be a smile, but it has to be the smallest smile.
I don't know how.
That was that a small smile? That was her.
Was that good?
No, that was not a small smile. Let's see it all.
This is a stupid trend.
Okay, you're not.
I don't.
You like that one? You like that one?
Do it again. One more time. One more.
Hi guys.
How am I ever gonna know if it's good if they don't tell me? I'm cold.
You guys keep going.
All right. What's the next thing we're doing? Well, so guys.
Hey, what's up? Bro, there's so many people here. This is crazy.
Yeah, this is insane.
Wait. Why are we always at the... Bro. That's my
Look,
good...
it's the island.
All right.
Remember last time there was an island? It's still there.
Where?
Right there.
That's not the same island.
Yes, it is.
No, wait.
it's not.
Say, I've got a question. Nadal, ready? Of the two of you, who took longer to get ready this morning?
Me, definitely.
Oh, for sure. Bro,
100%.
I hopped in the shower. I was laying in the
That
hot water,
hair?
and I'm done. I salt spray, scrunch, and I'm finished.
How does he do his hair? How does he do his hair?
He's definitely like, he gets away, he's like,
No, that's not what I do.
Yeah,
I just go like this. Look,
sure you do. For sure.
I swear. I just scrunch.
You definitely took short to get ready.
I air dry my hair. It doesn't take that long.
Okay, what was your last both of you guys, what was your last crash out about?
Salish, you be crashing out?
I crash out every day, bro.
Oh, I've got a good crash out story about Salish. Can you turn the camera to me? Salish was driving her car a couple weeks ago, and
no.
I wouldn't say crash out, but she.
Oh,
racked.
Wait.
You're on. No.
Don't say that.
Something happened to the car. Yeah. But guys,
We're talking about the 2 tires I bought.
Yeah.
Wait.
But guys, special guest, Salish and Nadal. It's not just gonna be them.
Who else?
You guys are gonna have to answer some questions.
By who?
By Jolie from Bucker Out.
You're on time.
All right, guys, make some room for Jolie.
I just got my
Guys, I'm coming in.
No, hey.
I have a Toyota Sienna 2016.
You have one?
Right.
I have 2016 here.
Are you sitting in the middle of us or?
Am I?
Here, sit on that side and I'll use the middle.
Okay.
Bro has a BMW and I have a 2016 Toyota.
Wait, you have a 2016 Toyota that you drive?
Please here then.
Wait, and you're driving it? Why do you drive it? Bro,
What do you mean?
why don't you get like a?
I don't want to pay for the car.
You don't?
No.
Really? I paid for
I've
mine.
already crashed it like basically 2 times.
That's not good.
You know they're hearing all of this, right?
That's fine. Alright,
Oh,
let's
God.
see Jolie.
How are you feeling? How are you guys doing?
I'm feeling stressed out. I'm scared for the questions.
Oh, it's gonna be great. You're prepped for the candy?
I'm so prepped.
Are you ready?
No.
Are you guys ready to listen to them answer juicy questions?
Let's go.
Okay, do you wanna go now?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
No. Is this the most sour
God.
one?
Yes, we're starting right out strong.
Why, bro?
Because we have really juicy questions.
I don't have to eat this, do I?
Yeah, you
I have to.
You both have to eat
This
it.
is your first time, right?
I thought
My
only
tongue
her
last time. My tongue was
business.
peeling last time.
Yeah, do you have to prep him? This is your first time?
All right, ready? Cheers.
Okay. Ready?
3, 2, 1.
Oh, wait, the ride has begun. Salish?
I liked it.
Oh.
Okay, you ready for the juicy question? Okay, we're gonna start out easy. You have 15 seconds to name off all the videos you remember filming here. You ready?
Boys vs. Girls was part 1. Boys vs. Girls was part 2. Boys vs. Girls part 3. Boys vs. Girls.
Not here. That wasn't here.
Oh,
Here. It's here.
Dog part 1. Zeus vs. Dog part 2. Zeus vs. Dog part 3.
Vito? You wanna spit it out?
Shoot, I don't remember anything.
You're better at the sours and Salishes. Okay, name one. You sang a song here?
Oh, everybody's shipping us.
Music video. Everyone shipping
All right,
us.
guys.
Everyone's shipping us.
But I'm gonna cut off Jolie, but now you have to sing because everyone's looking at
Guys,
you.
this is performance.
3, 2, 1.
Everybody's shipping us. Do you ship too? What?
Everybody's shipping us.
Wanna know that shit? What's up?
Everybody's shipping us.
Maybe we're just friends.
Everybody's shipping us. Gotta wait until the end.
Hey. Okay, speaking of that, would you guys ever do a remix?
Absolutely not.
Yeah, no chance.
Well, what would you sing about now?
What would you think about that? Hey, she's going like this. I already took all the shower coating off. Look at hers, bro. That's
Guys,
not
yours?
okay.
Okay, is Nidal actually a fast runner, or did you let him?
I beat him.
No, she didn't. Whoa.
You gotta tell them what you're talking about.
Bro, man, this is just something. We
All right,
filmed
wait.
a TikTok,
Okay.
and it was a running TikTok, and he had to catch me like with a 5-second going, and he told me to run slower than I can actually run. But I feel like we're the same speed, but like I had 5-second head start.
Ready? I'm just gonna say this. If we started a race, like side by side, I'm gapping her by about 10 buses. And number 2, I told her to go slower because Jordan said, "Oh, do 3 seconds." I had to wait 5 seconds before I had to chase her. 5 seconds.
Okay, ready? Okay.
One last question, and then we're gonna go.
Okay, have you ever thought about giving Salish flowers?
Wait, have I thought about it or have I done it?
Both.
Well, I've done it, and I mean, I've never.
He did for Valentine's Day one time.
Yeah, I gave you
Well,
flowers.
yes, friends.
Yeah,
And for
yeah.
your first dance prom, you remember that? The big red bouquet of flowers?
Oh shoot! I did give you. Are you serious? It was the school video.
What school video? I remember that school video.
You guys have gone a lot of videos together. Okay, what's your favorite thing about each other?
Oh, this is hard.
Okay, actually, I know. I feel like we have a really similar personality, and I know that he's not gonna judge me. Like, maybe he does, but I just don't care.
Well, why would I judge you? I mean, my response is the same. Personality. I mean, she's fun to hang out with. We've known each other for 7 years. We know each other really good, so
Yeah.
I guess just personality. Cause what else really is there that you need? Come on.
Right, you're their best friend.
Come on.
Oh, you wanna hug? Yay!
All right, guys. So now here you can swing to me. So now we're gonna go to the stage. Nidal, I'm just gonna give a teaser. Nidal is gonna come back. He's gonna be a part of the stage show.
I don't have to sing my song on stage, do I?
Yes,
Everybody's
no.
Oh my God.
Are we just friends? But are we friends?
Okay, I'm gonna cut her off.
You're the back to my flip. You're the girl in my ship. First it was funny, now I'm
Come on, let's hear it, Nidal. Let's hear it.
I'm only 11, but you're my half, and
extra shipping us.
But I think that is it. I
Need
think this
another
is
one
it.
if you.
Okay, perfect. We're gonna go to the stage now. Nadal, you're gonna come back. You're gonna be on the stage, okay? Are you ready? You guys are gonna play. You're gonna play a game together. But for now, say we're gonna go to the stage right now. So let's all hop off. You can say bye to Nadal, say bye to Jolie, and then we're over there.
Thank you, Joey.
Got you.
Bye, Nicole.
Bye.
Bye.
Are you guys having fun so far? Well, the good news is actually we get a whole extra hour, so we don't have to be out till 1 p.m. now, so you get to stay even longer. All right, I'm excited. We're just waiting for Salish to get off the Ferris wheel and then get her way here. And then we're gonna have some special guests come up and we're gonna play some games. Sound good? Awesome, okay.
What's the corniest pickup line that would actually work on you?
On me?
Yeah.
Oh. You know, okay, this is something about me.
Has it actually happened, by the way?
Well, okay, I get like really fast, you know? Like, I'm like, oh no, really fast. So like, actually, no pickup line. Yeah,
Okay.
I get the X so fast, no pickup line will work. Like, someone can breathe and I'll be like, ew. No, I'm just kidding, I'm just kidding.
Okay, so what would your pickup line be? What would you use?
What would I use for someone?
Yeah, like if you
I
you
wouldn't
had
ask someone, I don't think.
Oh, okay.
I feel like I'm
That's
too
boring.
scared. Like, I would ask someone if I knew them really well, but I'm too scared to ask them if I don't know them. You
Okay,
feel me?
I feel you. Okay, wait. I can't believe I didn't ask you and Nadal this. Maybe we can ask it later, but I'm gonna ask you right now. Who had better style, 12-year-old you or 12-year-old Nadal?
100% 12-year-old Nadal. Because his mom would pick out his outfits. I had awful outfits. Like, no one ever needs to see a picture of me until I was like 15.
Every time Salish will like see me watching an old video and she sees the outfit she's wearing.
Like, why didn't you tell me about it?
I did.
I made all of the team promise.
I would tell you. I was like, oh, you're sure about that?
You would not tell me that.
Yes, I would. Yes, I would.
Bro, Colin didn't tell me. You didn't tell me. Ari didn't tell me. Jake didn't tell me. Nobody told me.
Okay, it was they were cute outfits. It worked. Okay. In a couple years, you're gonna look at this outfit and be like, oh, I don't know.
No, I'm gonna look at this outfit. I'm gonna be like,
Take care of her now.
Perfect.
yeah, exactly. Julia would never lie to me, bro.
All right. Next question. What's your secret talent no one knows about? This is a big one. There's got to be something.
I don't know.
Straight to the stage, guys.
Amazing.
Bro, do you know anything?
What your secret talent is?
I feel like you know me very well. Like,
Okay,
I feel like
let
you
me
would
think.
know what my secret
What would
talent
your
is.
secret talent be?
Making skincare.
Making
That's a
skincare.
good one. That's a good one.
Yeah.
Alrighty.
Hi, guys. Hi.
Let's go!
This is our Bubbleberry lip gloss bomb.
That's a good call.
This is Bubbleberry and that's sheer vanilla.
Which one's your favorite?
Okay.
I've tried
like
that.
actually don't have a favorite. I love Bubbleberry, but lately I've been using vanilla so much.
Yeah.
But then I low-key just started getting back. Like, I use both.
You can't have a favorite.
Also, one of my hacks is I put the sheer vanilla first and then the Bubbleberry after. And it's like I get, I layer. Then I get like a little mix of both, you know?
Okay, I had only had the Bubbleberry. The sheer vanilla is actually so good.
I know.
This is delicious.
Thank you.
Can I have this? Can I keep this
You
one?
can keep it.
Are you sure?
No one wants it anymore.
Oh, because I tried it?
Yeah.
All right, guys, we're about to go to the stage. So then, do you know what you're doing on the stage yet?
I'm not sure.
We're gonna be playing a bunch of games. There's gonna be a bunch of mystery guests, so I think it's gonna be a lot of fun. And Nadal's gonna be back, so you're gonna see him again.
All right, everybody say hi to Ari. You got that shot? Look at this. This is crazy. This is crazy. Look at this. Okay, so guys, would you like me to do this or do you want me to invite my daughter up? We are going to be around, Salish and I, for a while, so you guys just hang out, enjoy. If you come say hi, please. We'll hang out with you until 1 p.m. when this is over. Do you guys all want to do a group selfie after that? All right, so we'll do one here, and then maybe at the end of the day, we'll walk down to the beach and do another one. Does that sound good? All right, so everybody wait until 1 p.m. and then we'll all leave together. Sound good? All right. Also, if you guys want more Sincerely Yours, right up there is a Sephora on the Santa Monica Promenade. They've got gift bags for you. They've got a whole display. They've got more products. So if you want to go up there, it's about a half mile away. Maybe a 10 to 15 minute walk. It's right up there if you want to get more stuff for Sincerely Yours. Let's give it up for Sephora once. We appreciate them so much. All right, now, I guess it's time. If you want to, should I bring up Salish or no? All right, ready? All right, ready, Salish? Salish, are you ready?
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna be really cringe, okay? All right, here we go. Today, my daughter Salish launches her lip gloss with Sincerely Yours. Let's go, Salish Matter.
Oh my gosh, wow, Dad, that was really cringe.
That was cringe, right?
Today, my daughter Salish. Anyways, guys, I appreciate you guys coming. Thank you so much. I hope you're having fun, and yeah, later we're all gonna get to hang out.
All right, so what we've done is, I think they want high fives.
Hi, guys.
Also, Salish, this is too good. Just go over there and look over at me, because this is too good. All right, ready? Everybody go crazy. Wave to them, turn around. Yeah. Crazy. All right. We brought up some of you guys, and they're gonna come up right now. Okay, guys, come on up.
Come on up,
Bro,
guys.
you got it. Thank you. Come on up, everybody. All right. So, all you guys, come on over here. All right. Now, we're gonna play a game of Simon Says. We're gonna see how many of them can beat Salish in Simon Says. Do you all know how to play Simon Says? All right, here we go. All right, we're gonna play Simon Says. Are you ready? All right, and then we're gonna bring up some special guests. So, Salish, everybody that beats Salish will get a hoodie.
What?
All right, if you beat Salish, you get a hoodie. All right, here we go. Simon Says, touch your nose. Simon Says, touch your hair. Touch your arm.
Oh wait, did I do it?
No, I hope not. That's too early.
I didn't touch my arm.
Okay. Simon Says, touch your waist. Simon Says, dance. Simon Says, smile. Stop smiling.
Wait,
Are you kidding? She already lost. Everybody gets a hoodie. How did that happen already? Okay, we've got hoodies for you guys. Here you go. Grab some hoodies and go down the steps. Everybody will get a hoodie.
Bro, I didn't know. I forgot.
She was the worst at that game. Was that a surprise?
Yo, do you want to do it?
No. Okay. All right. Now we're gonna bring up our first special guest. Isn't this so awesome? This is the coolest thing ever. We love you guys so much. Thank you. Are you good? All right. We got 3 special guests. Let's welcome Rebecca Zamalo. Rebecca Zamalo. Bro, you gotta dip. Hold on. She's taking a very, very dramatic entrance. Let's give it up for Rebecca.
Hi, Zadie.
And we've got Asala. Asala, come on up. Here we go, Asala. You guys are slow. Come on up. And we have got Khloe Kardashian. Okay, now, you guys go over there. Salish, you're here. All right, now, you're going to share. Stand right here. Okay, Khloe, you can go right here. Okay, I'm going to read off some questions, and we're going to see if they know Sincerely Yours better than Salish, okay? We're going to do true or false. I say the question, then I'll say 1, 2, 3, and I'll do the answer for you two, and then you guys use that mic. Okay, ready? All right, here we go. When we launched Sincerely Yours, we launched with 5 products. True or false? 1, 2, 3.
False.
You said true at first. Okay, everybody got it. Did you guys know that? All right, that's false. We launched with 4. All right, number 2 flavor. Ready?
I got one.
Here we go. Our 2 lip gloss flavors are Bubbleberry and Vanilla Cream. True or false?
False. Vanilla sheer. No, it's sheer vanilla. It's sheer vanilla.
Do you even know, or do you just wait for Rebecca to answer? Yeah, you're waiting for Rebecca to answer. I also just want to out Asala, because Asala has been begging me for months to introduce her to Khloe, so let's do that right now. Asala, Khloe. Apparently Asala's a big fan, and she's fangirling right now, so. And she's a big fan too, everybody's a fan. Okay. All right, next. The color of our face mask is yellow.
False.
Yes.
Oh, Chloe got
I
it.
thought the yellow was the sunscreen.
No, the actual product is
yellow
the
is
product is
sunscreen.
yellow.
Yes, everybody got it wrong, but Salish.
Yeah.
Of course, the
Oh,
face
so
mask
sorry.
is yellow.
No.
You did the face mask. You did it.
I did it in a video.
All right, one more. All right, this time I'm gonna ask you guys, okay? All right, this is true or false. We currently have 6 or 7 products. What?
6. True.
How many?
6.
She got it right. Okay, we got it right. What?
Wait, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7.
No, it's 6 if you count lip gloss as 1, 7 if it's 2.
No, lip gloss is 2.
Okay, so it's 2. That's why I said 6, 7.
6, 7.
Is it 6 or 7? 6 or 7. All right, ready? On 3, we're gonna do this. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7.
Oh my God.
I'm so cringe. Okay, one last question, and then we are moving on. Okay. What is the hidden shape in the face mask when you squeeze it out? What?
That's not true. False.
It's a star.
You gave it away.
Oh, I wasn't supposed to say that.
No.
You told me only true. False.
Okay, last one, this true false, and then we're done. Here we go.
I'm like, wait a second.
Wait, hold on.
All right, last one. All right, is this true or false? Ready? We have a mascot. True or false?
False. True.
Rebecca got it wrong.
Yeah.
It is true. We have the Sincerely Yours Kindly Clean mascot. Is it somewhere? No. Okay.
Wait, I thought you said mascot.
Yeah, I did say mascot.
She's the mascot.
No, she's the
We
founder.
have a mascot.
We have an actual mascot. Either way. All right, now, do we have, okay, here. I want each of you to pick one person to give a hoodie to in the crowd. Ready? You should throw it. There you go. Awesome. Thank you guys so much. Thank you. Bye-bye. Thank you.
Thank you so
All
much.
right.
I'll see you later. Thank you, Rebecca.
Do we have the briefcase ready?
Bye, Sadie.
All right, let's bring it up. All right, this is really fun.
Yes, sir.
All right, let me introduce you to the next guest. One of Salish's very, very close friends. Who do you think it is? Not yet. Who else? Let's go, Peyton. Now, we're bringing up a game. Have you guys watched us do the keep or steal game? We're gonna do it live, okay? All right, let me explain the rules. There is a Sincerely Yours lip gloss in one of these briefcases. Salish is gonna look inside hers, and then she's going to either choose to lie or tell the truth, and then Peyton has to guess which one she's doing. So she could open the briefcase and go, and then Peyton has to only ask yes, no questions, okay? So she'll say, is it in there? And then Salish could say yes or no, and she's lying. So she's got to guess if she's lying or telling the truth. Salish is very good at this. She beat Mr. Beast at it, and she beat me at it. All right? All right. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, now don't show anybody there. Turn it this way. Wait. And then do not say anything.
People there can see. Don't look at us, okay?
Okay, I'm gonna block. Hold on, you go this way.
Dad, people over there
You go this way and I'm gonna block.
Okay,
Do not
okay.
look. All right, ready? Here we go.
3, 2.
Salish is currently looking to see if her briefcase has lip gloss.
Okay, I got
Are
it.
you ready? All right, here we go. Now,
Thank you.
now hold on. You ask the question, and then you can answer it. Everybody watch Salish's face. Turn open. All right, go ahead.
Is the lip gloss in there?
Take the mic. Here. Wait, just you do it.
No.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm positive. No, I actually, I'm serious.
Well, I actually don't know what to do.
Give me a. All right, now, do you guys think Salish is lying or telling the truth? Is she lying? Is she telling the truth? Okay, everybody thinks you're lying. Peyton, do you have any questions?
I don't know. I kind of feel like
Well,
You
look
can
at her in the
ask
eye.
what flavor it is, or...
Hold on, give me the... Peyton, you want to lean in. Look her in the eye. You know her very well. You guys have known each other for a long time. They've had a lot of sleepovers. Blah, 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 blah. They don't sleep. They just talk all night long. You know her. I want you to be the first one to beat her. All right. I'm going to give this to you. Ask her some questions. You answer. Here you go.
All right.
Guys, I think she's...
This mic is really sweaty from my dad's hand. It's really sweaty. Okay, what do you want to ask?
What flavor of lip gloss is it?
It's both. Wait, no, there's nothing in it.
Oh! Did you see that? She couldn't remember. She panicked. Oh my God.
It was just on my mind. So
I feel like she's just trying to trick me. I don't know.
All right, Peyton, time to make a guess.
I'm gonna...
You can ask them.
Look at her.
I think I'm gonna keep it.
She's gonna keep her briefcase, which means she thinks that Salish is lying and the lip gloss is actually in her briefcase. If you are right, you get to pick somebody to give a hoodie to. If you're wrong, Salish does. Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, so Peyton is gonna open her briefcase, and if lip gloss is in there, then Peyton wins and one of you gets a hoodie.
Okay, go ahead.
Are you nervous? I think she was lying. I think you're right.
Oh! The audience, they all thought that I had the lip gloss.
No, they thought you were lying. You didn't fool anyone.
No,
I was telling the truth.
Didn't have it.
I said it didn't have it.
Oh, so you believed her?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't hear that part. So you got it right and you guessed correctly.
Yeah.
Well, congratulations, she got it right. All right, so go pick one of those and give it to somebody. All right, you guys can take this. You literally gave it to somebody else. Literally gave it to someone else. All right, we'll figure that out. All right, here we go. Thank you so much, Peyton. Way to go.
Bye, Paige.
First time Salish has lost at that game. First time she's lost at that game. All right, we have one more guest. Can you guess who it is? I can't hear you. Can you guess who it is? Who do you want to see? It sounds like they're saying me ball. Who's me ball?
Hey, Dad.
Yeah.
I think they want to see Nidal.
Oh, Nidal!
Yeah.
Do you want to see Nidal?
I want to see Nidal.
All right. Oh yeah, that's why we got to bring up the thing first. Here we go.
What is that?
All right. This is our final challenge. Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
You want to introduce our guest?
Introducing the one, the only Nidal Wonder.
Let's give it up. Let's give it up.
How's it going? Nice to see you. Nice to see you. Nice to see everyone. Nice to see everyone. Nice to see everyone. Nice to see everyone. What's up, everyone? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Can we get the
Now, can I ask you guys a question? I need your honest opinion, okay? All right, listen up, because this is important. How many of you know that we have some shows on Netflix currently? Do you know that? How many of you have seen them? Okay, that is just our YouTube videos, but coming later this year, we're gonna do an original show on Netflix. Will you watch that? All right, now here's a really important question. Nidal, come here. Salish is obviously gonna be in that show, right?
Yeah.
And I need your opinion on this. Do you think we should put Nidal in the show too? It's not very loud. I don't think they want you to. It's not very loud. One more time. All right, hold on. Now this is the very important part. I'm trying to work over here. I love the enthusiasm. At least your stream is working. Okay. Salish, big question. Salish, Do you want Nadal in the show? Yes or no?
I mean, of course I want him. He's my best friend.
There we go. All right, now we're gonna do a competition. All right, I need you to stand up now.
I know.
It's like the Beatles. Okay, Nadal, stand right here. Good. Salish, stand right here. Have you guys seen twin telepathy? All right, I need you guys. Can you guys all see both of them? You guys good?
I need to go.
What?
All right, now listen, here's the thing. Nadal, this is what I'm gonna do. If they get 5 right, I will commit to putting him in the Netflix show. If they only get 4, I don't know. We'll have to wait and see. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
This is a big moment for you. It's Netflix, dude.
Let's go.
All right, get back there. Here we go. Are you ready?
Yes.
So they have to do the same thing, and I want you guys to tell me if they did it or not. I'm gonna say a thing, and they do it, and then you guys go yes or no. Okay? On 3. 1, 2, 3. Wave. They did it. That's 1. 1, 2, 3. Dance. Yeah? They did it the same. Okay. 1, 2, 3, rock, paper, scissors. Are you kidding? Okay, hold on. This is good. They did it too. So that's 3 out of 3. This is crazy. What? These guys have known each other a long time. This is crazy. 1, 2, 3, flex. No. She did 1, he did 2. Does not count.
Rodney, no, come on.
Oh no.
Thank you.
Ready? Take it out of the box. Take it out of the box. All right, this is sincerely yours lip gloss. Okay? You just go ahead. All right, you get it out? You got it out? Open the cap. Okay. By the way, has everybody got a chance to try the lip gloss? It's awesome, right? Okay. Here we go. Ready?
Yeah.
On 3, apply the lip gloss. 1, 2, 3. No! He did top lip, she did bottom lip. Okay, guys, here we go. Who wants lip gloss? Hand them out. We got a couple more. Go back in your spots. Okay, they've only gotten 3. Remember, they need 5. Next.
No, it's okay. Thank you.
1, 3, laugh. 1, 2, 3, laugh.
Wait, what?
He wasn't even listening.
Sorry, he was talking to me.
All right, ready? On 3, you're gonna fix your hair like Salish does whenever she's talking to you. 1, 2, 3, fix your hair. Yes, you got it, yes. Is that count? That count is missing. All right.
Come on.
They've gotten 4.
I know.
They have 1 more. I'm gonna get you really quick. Come here. Ready? Come here. It's okay on this one.
I can come?
Ready? Come here. This is the last one. I'm gonna say a question. I'm gonna say 1, 2, 3. You guys answer it into the mic.
Okay.
Okay, ready? Come here, close. Last one. If they get this, he gets to be on Netflix. Big deal. Last time. Here we go. I'm gonna say the question, give you a count of 3, you talk into the mic, get really close.
Let's go.
Ready? What is your favorite place? 1, 2, 3.
Santa Monica!
Let's go! All right, listen, I knew he would answer that, so congratulations, you're on Netflix, baby! All right, that's it. Do you have anything you want to say goodbye to them?
Guys, thank you so much for coming. I appreciate it so much, and I love you guys, and I can't wait to spend more time with you. Bye!
Here we go.
God.
Big cheer. 1, 2, 3. amazing. Now carry her off stage. Oh, well. Carry her off like you do.
All right. I got you.
All right, I want to introduce you to a few more creators that are here, okay? Yeah, everybody who's here, come on up and say hi to everybody. Hold on. Angelo, run the party.
Hey, what's up? All right. Okay, guys. Everyone sing it with me. 1, 2, 3. Everybody shipping us. Do we ship too? Everybody shipping us. 1 and us. 2. Everybody shipping us. All right, who's excited for the Netflix show? Come on! Yeah, let's go! All right. Yeah. Who are we waiting
to? Okay. Salish. You know what? I hate this, but okay, you guys all have enough space? I'm gonna get out of here. But I think you guys were singing a song.
Oh no!
I think you guys want to sing a song to Salish. And here we go.
Get him roaring, bro. All right, guys. We have to sing it as loud as we can, okay? Like, we gotta, like, Salish is gonna think it's so cringe, but we're gonna do it anyways, okay? 1, 2, 3. Everybody shipping us. Do we ship too? Everybody shipping us. Everybody shipping us, maybe we're just friends. Everybody shipping us. Bring it to the end! Okay, so do we ship too? We'll find out. Okay.
What did you say?
I said, do we ship too?
We're not talking about that kind of stuff anymore, Angelo. Yeah, they are friends. They've always been friends. They always will be friends. There is no shipping between these two. Best friends. I'm going to say no. No. All right. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. Say hi to everybody. Remember, 1 p.m. 1 p.m. we're all going to walk to the beach, all of us, and take a selfie, okay? At 1 p.m. All right, see you then. Thank you so much. Enjoy the park. Bye-bye, guys. I have been pranking YouTubers all year.
What? She's so angry.
And these are the top 10 that have never been seen before.
You're really hot. Will you be my girlfriend?
It's Nadal's birthday and I baked him this cake. But first I'm gonna prank him into pushing this into his own face.
I'm gonna tell Nadal that we have to take a thumbnail for his birthday vlog, and he's gotta hold the cake and the 2 heavy bags, but the bags are so loaded with the sand that when Salish cuts the string, the cake goes in his face.
Ready?
No. Okay, just stay there for a second. The longer he holds it, the more. Okay, keep looking. Nadal, closer, like you're blowing out the candle. Let me see if you can do it. Don't drop the cake no matter what. Nadal, is it heavy? Okay, sorry. Okay, ready? And go. Oh!
Oh my god, Dad! Oh my gosh, I can't believe you do that to me. Oh, it's like in my hair and I'm gonna pay for that.
Sophie Dossi just released a brand new line of merch, and it is gorgeous, but I'm going to prank her right now by making her think that somebody is about to sue her for stealing their design. I have a friend, Nick, who just went Insta Influencer with ZHC.
So I'm gonna pretend like I created her original concepts for all her merch line. I'm gonna recreate those designs on Photoshop.
Then he put it in an Instagram post that looks like it was a year ago and sent that to Sophie in her DMs, knowing she would never see it.
Hey, Jordan.
Hey, Soph, how you doing? Real quick question, this is awkward, but did you design your own merch?
Yeah.
Like, did you have anybody help you?
A little bit of help, but...
Do you happen to know if that person who gave you a little bit of help maybe drew some inspiration from anyone else? Any other artists?
On what?
No? Did you know Instant Influencer this year with ZHC?
Yeah.
The winner of that, the guy's name is Nick. He literally just called me. and he said that he saw your merch, and the design of your merch is the exact same thing that he designed a year ago in an art project, and he posted it on Instagram like a year ago, and he DM'd you about it a few days ago. He's like really mad. Like he's talking to attorneys because he showed me the design. It looks like exactly the same. Check your DMs. His name is Nick's Art.
He follows me. Oh, what?
Yeah.
Tuesday? What? No, because Mom. What? Wait, this isn't a YouTube video, right? Like this for real?
Okay, it's a YouTube video.
Oh my god, I was gonna be like, there's no way. Oh my god, what? I was like, I checked for copyright. You guys can get my merch at shop.Sophie.C. It isn't copied from anybody, guys.
I am right in front of Pearson's house from the AMP Squad, and this is Pearson's mom and her boyfriend. But today, this is mom's boyfriend.
Hi, babe.
Hey, baby. Oh boy, this is gonna be fun. One person who subscribes in the next 7 days will win an iPhone 13. Last week's winner was Sam, and he won Apple AirPods Pro. You could be next.
Hi, Logie.
What's up, Pee-Pee?
Oh my god, I'm so tired.
There are hidden cameras everywhere, and Pearson is expecting to meet her mom's new boyfriend, but she thinks he's 50 years old.
Hello.
Hi, Mama.
Carrie.
Hi, Mom.
Happy holidays. I brought a friend with me.
Hey.
This is my new friend. This is Harrison. This is Logan.
It's good to meet you.
Nice to meet
That's
you.
Pearson.
Hi.
I finally get you guys to meet him. So,
What?
I've been dating for a while.
Oh, okay.
Where did you guys meet again?
Well, I was just swiping on Tinder and
I know.
Mother, you're on Tinder?
I know. I didn't want to tell anyone, but
That would, dang.
so I finally want you guys to meet him. So
Aw.
I'm gonna show him around Huntington, show him around town.
yeah, you guys have a beautiful house.
Aw.
Seriously.
Thank you. How old are you?
Oh, I'll be 19 next week.
19? Holy Holy
We like all the same things.
Yeah, he
Classic
likes-
rock.
yeah.
Aw. Aw, cute.
You guys have been talking for how long?
It's been like 3 weeks.
Yeah.
All right, so we're gonna show him around. We'll be right back.
Great meeting you guys.
Yeah,
for real.
Let's go up there. I'll be right back.
Okay.
Bro, mom's on Tinder.
He is really cute though. But not for her.
Yeah, but that's weird.
Oh my god,
That's
dude.
weird.
There's no way that they last. He's younger than me. He's younger than you.
Awesome. So beautiful up there.
Hey, do you think it's cool if I just like jump over into the river?
Sure. You gotta be careful.
You ended up not doing it? Yeah, it just looked a little too far down.
You got a good one, Mama. He's pretty cute.
I know, right?
Cute.
Damn. Okay, all right. We can leave that. We can leave that for the bedroom. We can leave that for the bedroom. Away from us, your children.
You always told me to be happy, you know, and just try to get out there and date. So I was
Yeah.
like, I'm gonna just do it, and this
Yeah.
is what happened.
That's awesome.
I'm so glad it did. Listen, I wanted to say this now after getting to meet you guys. Well, I just can't believe I'm doing this.
What? What are you doing?
Will you marry me?
What? Are you serious? Harrison! Oh my god! Yeah, I guess, yeah. It's so weird.
God, wait, you just started dating though.
I
We
know,
moving real
oh my
quick.
And you've been pranked!
What?
You've been pranked.
Logan was in on it the entire time, and now he has a challenge for Pearson.
What? You guys kissed though! Wait, but you guys kissed!
We have cameras literally everywhere, and I just want to let you know you've been pranked, and I will give you $1,000 if you can guess who it is. But you only get one guess.
I only get one guess?
You only get one guess.
I only get one guess for $1,000, dude.
For $1,000.
$1,000.
This is a big prank. I'm gonna say Brent. This is by far the best prank that has ever been pulled.
Give us 200,000 likes. Maybe Pearson will help me get Brent next time. What do you think?
Oh my God, we have to.
Right now we are doing a video with Dr. Mike and we're about to prank him. I'm gonna put this in this bag like it's poop and I'm gonna say, I need to give you a stool sample, which is a poop sample. I'm gonna mix it with coffee grounds to make it look really authentic.
Can I just talk to you about one thing?
Yeah.
Okay, my stomach has been upset lately, and I know as a doctor that you see this all the time. This is awkward, and I'm sorry because we're shooting a video together.
Yeah, of course, yeah.
Last time I used the bathroom, I just used a plastic bag and I did a stool sample.
You brought it?
Yeah. This is...
What should I do with that?
Can you run this or something just to make sure that it, like, works? Like it's healthy?
I don't have the equipment. I mean, it's diarrhea. Where did you get this bag?
Scoop a part of it out, can't you?
Why would I scoop it?
It doesn't smell like it usually smells.
Dude, why? It's...
That's a prank. I can't do it anymore. I was about to...
I thought you were about to eat it for a second. I've had interesting stuff happen in exams before, but this is a first.
It's good, it's Nutella.
I'm in front of Piper Raquel's house. I'm about to go in to shoot the cover for her single, which she just put out, which is awesome, but I'm gonna pretend it's not and prank her. Hunter's in on it, so he's gonna film us. I got you. Hunter hit a camera up there, so she doesn't know she's we got this.
Hey guys, how you doing?
Good. You okay?
Yeah, I'm good. Can I touch you?
So I listened to the song.
Yeah.
And I don't really like it.
The one I sang?
I don't know if I take a photo and put my name on it. It's a little like K-poppy.
I mean, I wish it would come.
Some people like it. It's just not really my taste.
Is everything okay?
I'll just talk to Becker about it.
What's happening?
Nothing. I just, my brand is important to me, and I'm not sure if that song is like my brand.
I literally filmed it 3 times. I mean, like, I'm actually taking this like seriously.
Oh, I'm sure, and I've heard your other songs, but I don't know. I just was thinking maybe I shouldn't
So
do
are you
this
trying to
person.
say that it's not good? Then you know.
I wouldn't say that it's not good. I'm just saying that personally, it's not my like jam. I still want to totally work together another time. We should collab again, but like for this, I just can't. I love working with you guys. I don't want to like ruin that. I'm just gonna go. Yeah, I'm not gonna. I just respect you too much to. I can't do this anymore.
Piper, don't get angry. You're so mad. No, she's so angry. No.
I couldn't. The song is dope. I'm sorry. Let's take an awesome cover. 10 million streams. 10 million streams. Listen to this song. It's dope. That was a prank. My cameraman is right over there prepping for a shoot. I'm going to go break his camera and replace it with one he's always wanted. A red camera! Yes! Look! I got you a red camera. That's a total prank. We've been pranking people all year. I just pranked him and he totally bought it. Red camera, my man. You jerk. That was the #1 most requested prank on Instagram, and he never watches Instagram, so he didn't know.
I am in Columbia, South Carolina, and I'm about to prank Lily Ketchman. This is where we're supposed to meet for a photo shoot. I'm gonna pretend that I flew to Columbia, Maryland. Jack and Afaf are in on it, and Jack's gonna signal me when I should call Stacy. We have a camera hidden on this little kiosk where they check in, so they'll never know they're being filmed.
It's prank time, baby.
Hey, what's up? How are y'all doing?
Good. How are you?
Good. The gym's right around here.
They got up really early to drive here today.
So where's Jordan?
Last time I talked to him, he said he was getting on a flight.
Hello. Are you here?
I'm on the plane.
What? What?
I think I made a big mistake. I took a flight to Columbia, Maryland.
What? No!
Are you guys in Columbia, South Carolina or Columbia, Maryland? I'm totally confused.
We told him South Carolina like a week ago when he booked this flight.
Jordan, seriously, you're me right now, right? You are not in the wrong state.
How could you mess that up?
Literally.
You've been here before.
We just drove like 4 hours of traffic to get here and you're telling me that you're in...
I'm sure I can get a flight today. Can you just wait at the gym? I'll be there in like 6 hours.
Wait at the gym?
6 hours? We can't just wait.
Bye.
Oh.
No, I can't.
I literally cannot believe he just set all of us up. Alright, let's go to lunch and come up with a better video. We should go. Like,
I'm so rude.
Whoa, don't leave. Whoa. What? Stop.
Oh my God.
I'm about to prank Anas from the Anasala family out of $1,000. Check this out. Let's play to a game of 11. I bet you $100 I win.
Not $100 it is.
Okay? I'm going to let Anas win the $100 by playing with my left hand. I'm a righty. Whoa, look at that! 3-0. Ah! I lost. I was a little nervous, but I feel good now. I shook it out. One more round for 1,000.
Oh, we're going up.
$1,000, good? Okay, $1,000. I am now going to beat him with my right hand and win $1,000. So this time I'm gonna use my right hand. I'm not a lefty. Here we go.
So, oh, so all that you did, what? Man, this guy.
Sorry, huh? Did we not talk about that?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Okay, that was a nice shot. I'll just give that to you. Are you freaking kidding me right now? I'm supposed to be hustling him right now. Oh! What the heck what was that? You do a prank compilation video, that means you prank the people. That's the whole point. The audience wants to see a prank and you're beating me.
No one pranks me in my, oh, you take it?
What? Are you?
Dear the fans of Mr. Jordan Matter, life sucks for him today. Leave a like, subscribe to his channel. He needs it.
We're totally gonna prank Lauren. This phone, it's a dead phone. This is the case that she uses. I'm gonna go, I need to film a TikTok with your phone. I'm gonna replace it with this one, and then I'm gonna throw it into the ocean by accident. Damn.
A new dare. You have to give Jordan your phone and let him record a TikTok of you.
Okay. I need you to like really try though. Like make it cool.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah,
but
I can.
You can't go too much.
Okay, just a little.
Yeah, just a little.
Oh my God, this is so good. All right, let's just pull myself together. Okay.
Just do whatever you feel is right. You're a photographer.
Wait, should we go that way or go straight here?
I mean,
I think maybe just straight. Okay, let's do it. Let's just do
Okay.
it. Ready? I just want to be. Let me. Oh my God!
Shut up. You did not.
Oh my God, Lauren, I'm so sorry.
I hope this is a prank. What? Bro, what? No.
You handled that so well. Thank you. That was a total prank.
Where's my phone? Oh my
Your
God.
phone is right here.
Oh my God. I was like, oh my God.
Okay, right now Ben is filming a video with Salish and Nadal, so we are going to prank him. Watch this.
First question now. We only got like 1 minute because Salish is in Bethany, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so first thing, how do I ask her to be my girlfriend?
You want to ask Salish to be your girlfriend?
Yes.
I'm serious.
Yes.
You're too young for that.
No, I'm not.
You want to ask her to be your girlfriend.
Yes.
And how are you gonna do that?
Maybe like, hey, you're hot. Do you want to be my girlfriend?
Okay, hold up. Don't say that. You're just gonna call her hot? Like, what about like her personality? Say she's nice. Don't just go straight for like the hey, you're hot. I would start with like, hey, like you're really nice. You're funny. You have a nice smile. Other than just like you're hot.
And also another question, how do you kiss her? Like,
You're okay. First of all, you're too young
No,
to do that. I wouldn't worry about that. Just go straight.
No, just tell me. Like how?
I don't know. What do you want me to say? Like how?
Give me an answer. Guys, are you ready to shoot? Like, hurry up. Salish, I have to tell you something. What? You're really hot. Will you be my girlfriend? No. No? It's a prank!
What? You keep using my daughter to get to 10 million before I get there. We had to get you back.
No, I told you everything not to say, and then you said it.
Look, there's a camera.
Okay,
Here's
guys.
another camera right here. Hi.
Honestly, I deserve this because Salish has been in more of my videos than her own deck. Subscribe to Jordan, don't subscribe to me. He has to be me.
Go on top of a car, do the lyrical WAP dance.
Go. Start asking people.
Hi, can I do a dance on your car? Can I do a dance on your car? No.
Go. Hello everyone, I am literally in the middle of Hollywood Boulevard with Montana Tucker and Eliana Wamsa. We are going to do TikTok dares. This is gonna be sick. They are gonna get a series of TikTok dares, and the first person to say no to a dare loses, and the winner gets $50,000.
Oh my God!
No, I'm just kidding. This dude sells this money right here. Oh yeah, $50,000, right? Actually, the winner gets to choose between two things. A photo shoot with a very famous singer. I'm not gonna say who, you gotta wait till the end to find out if they pick that. Or the winner can pick a shopping spree at Sephora. Ooh. The one and only Montana Tucker has her own single called Sunday Fun Day, and it is dope. So my first dare is the two of you have to do a TikTok dance together in the middle of this intersection to Sunday Fun Day.
Okay. Scary over there. I don't know.
Yeah, well, that's the point. Now listen, one of you could say no and quit.
I'm not quitting.
No,
Are you quitting?
I'm not quitting.
Oh! 5, 6, 7, 8. Woo! I think I have to hire Jordan as my new backup dancer.
Yes.
Oh, thumbs up if you don't want that. When I count to 5, you go with the police right there. Walk, go, come on.
You get this like adrenaline rush.
Yeah.
And you just run in the middle and then you just forget where you
Because
are.
everybody's like staring at you. They're all like in their cars.
I'm out of breath from dancing for 10 seconds.
Montana, do a TikTok with that band.
No, oh my God.
Did you just lose? She just lost.
No, I didn't.
Then go do it. Hurry, hurry. You gotta hurry. She's a huge TikToker, big star musician. Here we go. This is awesome. This is awesome. Can you wait and let them do a TikTok? Yeah, she can. There it is. We're just getting warmed up. That was not the Montana. Next dare, you go into Fatburger
Oh, into
and
what?
do TikTok on their counter.
No.
On their counter.
On their counter?
Okay, we will clean up the counter afterwards if they actually get away with doing it.
You want us to get up on the counter and dance?
Yes. If you don't want to do it, you can totally quit. And
No, I'm not quitting. I'm not quitting either.
if
I'm
you both
determined.
quit, I get the shopping spree.
I'm
Sephora.
determined.
You want the celebrity?
Yeah.
Who
The singer,
is
famous
the
singer.
celebrity?
Woo, let's go.
Let's go, hurry, come on. Hurry quick before they see us. Go, 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 go. Then you're gonna count it out. We're gonna clean up.
I'm a savage, yeah. Classic, bougie, ratchet. Nasty, fruity, nasty. Acting, stupid, zapping. I'm a savage. Woo!
We're cleaning.
All right. The cleaners are here.
Whew, that made me kind of nervous.
So
cool.
Woo!
Love it.
All right, Ellie, it is your turn for the dare, and I'm making this one up. So I have to make it really good because I want her to lose.
No.
Go on top of a parked car. Yep.
A parked
And I
car?
think you should do the lyrical walk dance. You can say
You
that.
gotta say yes.
You gotta ask them if you can get on top of their car.
No, you said a parked car.
You can't get on top of somebody's car that doesn't give you permission. You have to go ask somebody.
Yes, I can.
Hurry, go, 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 go. Start asking people.
No,
Okay, she quits. It's over. Who do you want? Do you want the singer or do you want Sephora? It's like a boxing match. 1, 2. By 10, you have to say yes or no. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, okay.
Hi, can I do a dance on your car? Can I do a dance on your car?
Okay. Oh my gosh, you're the strong ever. Okay, do you want me to ask for you?
Yeah.
Any chance that she could do a dance on top of your car? It's okay, I understand.
Oh, this is too much.
We're filming a YouTube video. Can she do a TikTok dance on top of your car? On top of your car? Yes! Okay, she's gonna hop on top of your car and do a TikTok.
You're gonna go fast, really fast.
Go, go! She said fast. Go, hurry, hurry, hurry. Very, very careful. Go, go, okay, go. Wow. Whoa. Yes. Okay, here, I'll get you down. I'll get you down. Come on. Okay, okay. Thank you so much. Whoa. That was so cool.
Ellie, good job. Thanks.
It started going clunk, clunk, clunk.
I know. I was like, I don't want to break her car. That was actually terrible.
It was great. It was amazing.
It was not great.
It was amazing. Our time.
I've got a good idea now.
Okay.
Okay, this is outside. That's why our masks are off, because the TikTok will look better with the mask off. Here is what I want you to do next.
What?
The photo booth.
Oh, okay.
What about it?
One of you dances on top of it. There's a security guard right there.
Oh my God. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh, you're on top.
Oh, I don't know.
And that's if you could, yeah, there you go. Center's not an option, but the edge is, right? This edge, and right here is an option. There you go, there you go, there you go.
Holy crap.
There you go. Do hands, just do.
Sorry, sir, we're coming.
It's a TikTok. We're doing a TikTok.
Still kept up with the machine.
Well, okay.
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 Sorry, we're coming right down. Thank you.
Okay. Let's move this way. Thank you very much, officer. Bye. Wait, I'm gonna be on Montana Tucker's TikTok? Really? The Montana Tucker.
I think today's the day.
Whoa, I made it! Yeah! I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Don't touch my hair. Come here. I've got it. Are you ready? Are you ready? Well, but that was that does not even count. No, you did not do it.
The dare was to go behind her. You never said how
They
far.
both lose. You're supposed to stand right next to her like this.
Oh, no way. No, he's not.
Like this, right next to her. See, and then she would get mad. We're giving you a lot of views here. This is a YouTube video. It's awesome. This is huge. Is this national?
She's not.
Is this national, international, or local? Subscribe to JordanMatter.com. Hit that bell. Like that. And then we can keep playing.
I can't believe you just did that.
Because I'm a nice guy, I'm gonna give them each their reward anyway. Montana wanted the famous singer. Oh, Montana, you're beautiful. Oh, yes, that's good. Yes, yes, nice. Beautiful. Oh, he's gonna love it. Elvis.
Oh, yes, that was it.
Yes.
Thanks.
Ellie didn't really want to support her shopping spree, right? So,
Yes,
okay, Ellie, you get it. Here you go. $50,000.
Thank you so much.
I'm not that cruel.
I think I'm gonna get a lipstick. I like this color.
We know she likes Gucci.
Yeah. Mascara. Yay!
This was so much fun, but we're barely getting started. Thumbs up right now if you want to see a part 2 with these two together. Thumbs up right now, because I want to see it. Yes.
Yes, let's go. Woo, woo.
This is my daughter's bedroom, and by the end of the day, it will be transformed into an epic Barbie dream room. But she'll have to wait until tonight for the big reveal. While the surprise room makeover is happening upstairs, downstairs, Salish and I will be competing in a series of extreme one-color challenges. Salish is going to have to win 5 rounds before she gets to see her new room reveal.
Dad, please, I really want to see it. Can we please just go?
Okay, I know, the painters haven't even started yet, Say.
Wait, there's painters?
So the first round is inspired by one of Pop Reveal's many surprises, ooey goo. Over our heads is black goo for me and pink goo for Salish.
No.
We're doing a bottle flipping challenge. Whoever hits the bottle flip first wins and the loser gets gooed.
I'm going first.
No, action. No, rock, paper, scissors. No, she can't just go.
Yeah.
No, oh my God, no. What? I didn't even get a chance to go. What the heck? What?
1 round down, 4 to go until I get to see my new room.
Obviously, I need a shower, but I don't trust Salish for a second. I know she's gonna try and sneak a peek at her new room, and so I brought backup.
Nobody's getting past me unless you know the password. You know the password? No. Thought so, okay.
Now my dad's in the shower, so I'm gonna go try and see the room. Let's go. Oh, hey, Ike.
Hey.
Excuse me, I'm just gonna,
No.
It's my room.
You know the passcode?
Nope.
You're not getting in then. Nope, not today. Your dad told me not to let anyone in unless they know the passcode.
Dang it.
No going back now. I've got something a little special for Say. This is gonna stay here forever. This is gonna be such a nice surprise for her when she sees my heart. I love you, Say.
Sandy, do you know where my dad is?
No.
I don't believe you.
I cannot believe Salish is giving me permission to do this. I mean, it wasn't that long ago I wasn't even allowed in her room. Now I can do a full makeover surprise. I'm gonna show you what Salish is gonna do later tonight for the big reveal. This is me being Salish. I'm so happy. I love you, Daddy. Thank you for making this happen. You're the best dad ever. Next round, one color shopping. We each have 5 minutes to pick an outfit in our color. Then we're going to post it on social, and whoever gets more votes wins, and that'll be me.
That's gonna be me.
Absolutely
Okay,
me.
I'm starting.
Okay, all right, go.
Now I'm just gonna go ahead and try and find like a pink tank top. Just anything pink. Maybe like pink sweats.
This should be easy for Mary. We're black every day.
This is just a no. Just like, what is that?
I don't know if that's my thing.
This is like something my mom would wear. Cute. So I guess we'll try this. What else?
Oh, wait, just wait. Go to Salish, cut back to me in a second.
These shorts, they're pretty cute. Sometimes I would wear pink shorts, but I don't know about that.
Oh, yeah. With the tilted camera. What? Come on. Okay, I don't think this is me. Moving on.
The hard thing is, pink and pink is not my style. I'm gonna go to activewear section.
Ha! Okay, I have black shoes. I just gotta find the rest of the outfit. I actually have an idea. Let's be honest, Salish is probably gonna win this round because she always wins votes, but I have a plan. What if I get really formal? This is either a great idea or a terrible idea. Do I go full formal? We're only wearing these outfits for this one round, so I can get away with something that's not totally, oh man, that's like putting on a glove. I know I look good right now. Sandy, cue some cool music. I feel good, Okay. Now, it's cringy, right? I was cringy?
Yeah.
Wait, can I see your sunglasses?
Yeah.
Do you mind?
No, you're good.
I'm gonna win this round, look. Sandy, cue slow motion.
Now shoes. These are dad's shoes, so no, that is perfect. This is very Barbie pink.
Can I ask you a quick question? Do you think black tee? Or should I go with the black shirt?
I like the V.
I'm cool.
Yeah, I would be embarrassed if that was my dad.
There has to be something that's fit.
Oh yeah, that was better. We've waited 15 minutes and now it's time to figure out who won. I should win this.
No, I should win this. These are uncomfortable. Let's go change.
Okay, here we go. We'll change, but first let's get 1, 2, 3.
Yes!
I'm looking at you, everybody. Come on now. Honestly, look at this fit.
Obviously gonna be this face. Dad, come on, please let me in.
No, you can't come see it. Don't let her in.
You know, I'm just gonna walk over here to Hudson's room. It's locked.
Now the room has been painted, it's time to turn it into the ultimate Barbie dream room. Nobody better to do that than Eliana Walmsley. So what are we doing first?
There is no we. You were out of this.
No, this is mine. No. Jeez.
Wait till you see what I'm going to do with this room.
Next round, mystery smoothie. Ugh. There's cups in front of us and Rowan put a bunch of stuff in each cup, black and pink. We haven't seen it. We each picked 3 cups and then we have to make a smoothie out of that. The first person to finish their smoothie wins the round.
The biggest surprise of the day is actually going to be in this very closet, so make sure you stay tuned to see what I do with it. I took all of Salish's clothes out of her closet, so I gotta find another place to put them, but I think it'll be worth it.
Do you have any idea what's in front of you?
No, but I'll pick first.
So first of all, this bed is honestly pretty cute, but I don't think it's Barbie inspired enough, so we need to fix this now. Okay, time for a brand new bed.
What kind of stuff would be pink?
I don't know, like
Gum,
fruit?
like fruit, I don't know.
No. Go. This one doesn't sound bad. First one. This one kind of sounds good.
You're listening to them?
Yeah.
It's food.
Okay, I guess I'm gonna go with that one. And the random one, I'm gonna go with this one.
All right, now my turn. Rowan, this all better be food.
Yeah, only food.
That sounds suspicious. I have absolutely no idea what this stuff is. Oh, that's too heavy. There's no way I would like something like that heavy. Okay, that's heavy too. Okay, I'm gonna go with this one. Oh, blackberries, actually.
No.
Dude, it's a smoothie. There better be blackberries in here.
Blackberries are purple.
I don't have any idea what this is. I'm just gonna go with that. Okay, let me see. Oh, that's vinegar. Okay, that doesn't have a smell, so I'm gonna go with that. I don't know this. Okay, those are my 3 selections. Like 1, 2, 3, let's look at them now.
Olives are your least favorite food.
No!
You hate olives.
No!
Pink bed frame. I'm so excited about this. I'm thinking this is gonna take a little while.
Molasses.
Whipped beets.
Beans with molasses.
Grapefruit.
You got so lucky. I would actually order this smoothie at a smoothie place.
Olives are gross.
Yeah, well, there they go.
Raspberries.
I don't know if I'm gonna be able to finish the smoothie.
You'll be fine.
We each have to guzzle them, and whoever finishes first wins the round.
Okay, ready?
Oh.
It doesn't stop! Oops.
She panicked. Watch the pour. Oh, this isn't gonna go well.
3, 2, 1.
I don't know if it, okay. I can't do it. I actually can't do it. I can't. I can't do it. I can't do it. I can't do it.
I finished.
I couldn't do it.
I won. That wasn't that bad. On to the next round. Okay, Ike, are you hungry?
looks. Look at how good that looks.
Pizza, huh?
Yeah, I'm just gonna leave it right here in case you want it.
I don't eat carbs. Gotta keep them abs right.
Ike's doing a great job.
Now you might be wondering why I'm letting my dad redo my room. First of all, I want to see what my dad and Eliana can create. And also, I really like the Barbie movie. Next round, ASMR. The Barbie pop reveal has a ton of surprises, so Dad, you're gonna have to use your senses to guess what they are.
We're on to the final step before we put the mattress on. I seriously don't expect how anyone thinks I'm gonna be able to put this mattress on the bed. It weighs 10 trillion pounds. Like, I can't lift this thing at all. And what if I put it on the bed and it breaks and the whole thing snaps and we're gonna have to get a whole new bed? I just need to take a few deep breaths.
There's 8 pop reveal surprises.
I have to guess 3 of these right to win this round. I got this. You shook a box?
Yeah, I opened it. Here are a couple of the surprises. You have to guess what I'm doing.
You're crunkling it past the
Yes.
Boom, come on! Wait, I already guessed some, like when you were opening the box and stuff.
Those don't count. This is one of the coolest parts about it. I love this.
You popped a balloon in my ear?
No, I popped open the ice cubes that have a milkshake and the Barbie roller skate.
Cool. So far, no points.
He put his trust in me, and I cannot let him down, and I cannot let Salish down. So therefore, we are gonna do this. I think that's good enough. I'm gonna need a minute.
Next thing, put out your hands. Now squeeze it. What is it?
It's squeezy, it's squishy,
Yeah.
it's a little rubbery. There's ears. I think
It's
there's
a
a
Barbie's
nose.
animal.
Oh, it's an animal? It's like a cat. Is it a cat? Is it a cat, actually?
Yeah.
Good guess, Jordan. This is something to keep your finger warm, right? This smells good. A ring.
No, it's Barbie's floaty and her shorts.
Every Barbie room needs a ton of accessories, and this vanity has just that. Boom. Salish is going to love this.
This is the coolest thing ever.
Okay, I'm excited.
Ready? Put your hand.
Okay. Oh, that's the goo.
Yeah. Wow, Dad, you actually got it.
This is goo. I know it for sure. This is good goo. This is better goo than you've ever made, Say. I'll tell you that much.
Excuse me? Get in your hair.
Oh, no, don't.
Here's a little sneak peek for the big surprise. That's it. What do you think it is?
This is the last one. You have to get this right. You're gonna have to use your sense of smell.
I'm gonna get it right, come on.
What is the smell of her hair?
Ooh. I'm gonna go raspberry.
No! Strawberry.
No, I use strawberry.
Fail. There's one more really cool thing I want to show you guys, but not with my dad.
No.
Perfect. This is the coolest surprise about this doll. And you take some ice, you just rub, and look.
That is so cute. Wait, I want to try.
You could do it on the lips, and it makes lipstick.
That is so cute.
Here, you try.
That works so well. Look how cute it looks.
It looks so good. Ellie, what's the password to the room?
Yeah, I still can't tell you. You have to trust the process. It's gonna look so good, I promise you.
I'm not very good at trusting the process. Can you just hold Barbie for a second?
Sure,
Thanks.
yeah. Wait, no, you can't sneak in there. Oh my God.
Oh, hey, Ike, you're still here. Whoa, is that someone towing your car?
I took an Uber. Couldn't be me.
You know, these are actually really cool. I'm gonna add them to the room. Let's go.
Next challenge, mystery buttons. I will be stuck in this pink and black box with a bunch of mystery buttons until I push the one that allows me to escape. The rest of the buttons lead to random pink or black consequences from Salish. Why would I agree to do this? No clue. If I quit before I hit the escape button, I lose this round. Say, I love you. Take it easy on me, Kay.
Uh-huh.
I don't want to do this. This is the last time you're going to see my face clean. Say, what do you think of this one?
I don't know about that one.
That one?
Not that one.
Black over here, what do you think?
Just do whatever you want.
Well, how bad could something pink be? I'm going with that one.
Expired strawberry milk.
Oh, everything we're using in this challenge is like expired food or biodegradable food. So we're not wasting anything, but it's more gross.
5, 4, 3.
Oh, wait. No, that's so good.
Yummy.
That was cold.
Does it smell good?
No, it smells expired.
It's chunky.
In case you're wondering who has expired milk, Rowan does.
Hey.
Sorry, pink didn't work out. We're going for black.
Used coffee ground.
Oh. No. Well, that wasn't so bad.
Oh, I forgot some.
Oh, no.
Your hair looks really flat right now.
Fix the hair real quick. Oh, it's rocking pink.
Melted frosting.
At least it's not expired.
Oh,
Oh, it's expired. Okay, Dad, are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Go.
I don't know if you're ready.
I'm ready. I'm ready. Oh, no. We did this challenge 2 years ago, and I swore I would never do it again. Sandy, cue the clip.
We should have added Pink.
How cute was she? You were so cute.
Yeah.
I'm getting back at her right now. Keep rolling those clips.
We should do the polish challenge while he's in here.
Get me out of here.
No.
Keep rolling them.
No.
Yes. I'm going black.
Coffee.
Are you ready, Dad?
No.
Too late.
Oh, whoa, oh.
This was left over from this morning, and there was a lot left over.
Oh.
I thought you loved coffee.
Not like that, I don't. I could use a little cream and sugar.
Oh, no problem.
No, wait, no, I didn't mean that.
I'm stalling to give Eliana as much time as possible to finish the room reveal.
I don't think this is really matching the vibe. That looks much better.
Say, you want to do it next time?
I'm good.
500,000 likes, and Salish will be in this box next time.
I won't be in this box next time.
Give us 500,000 likes anyway, please, because look at me.
Nope.
Okay, the next one actually has to be the color. That's the rule.
Okay.
Black.
Black compost.
Compost could be anything.
So in the compost, there's olives, molasses, vinegar, pudding.
Oh, so everything I had to drink earlier today?
Yeah.
Oh!
And there's beans. I forgot about that part.
This is fun, huh? Yeah, don't you wish you were me right now? Okay, got my eye.
I feel so bad about doing this to my dad.
Aw. Oh, she was kidding.
Can I use the bathroom?
No, you can't use the bathroom. I'm just sitting here.
Bye, thank you.
No, Salish, don't go to bath. No, I don't want to sit. No, just.
Love you.
Say, I can't. No, Salish. Actually, Salish. Are you kidding me?
Okay, can I at least talk to Ellie? Ellie!
What, Salish? You can't get in. I've told you this a million
can I
times.
come in?
No!
Ellie!
I promise you, Salish, it's gonna be worth the wait. Just wait a tiny bit more.
The second I hear the room is finished, I am giving up. But until then, I gotta stick it out so she sees the room complete as it's meant to be.
Just a few more surprises. I've got one more surprise to make the bed super, super special. Sandy, don't show them yet.
Hey, Sandy, remember when I used to be a serious photographer? Look at me now. Okay, forget black, I'm going pink. Pink!
Gel balls.
Don't worry, Dad, they're biodegradable.
Oh, whoa!
They're so nice.
Please subscribe because, I don't know. Okay, pink.
Pink kitty litter.
Oh!
Are you kidding?
Don't worry, it's fresh out of the bag, Dad.
Oh, okay. You think maybe you could pour some pink water on me next? Here we go, and pink.
Umbrella.
Oh, finally I can just protect myself.
Yeah.
Oh, that's so funny, Say. I'm just afraid of black, I have to be honest, because there's a lot worse things than black than pink, so I'm gonna keep going pink. Pink!
Paradise gray.
Oh.
This better not be permanent, that's all I'm saying. I don't know if I could rock pink hair.
Ready?
No.
Too late.
Okay.
No, it works.
Stop, pink.
Pink compost.
How is compost pink, actually? Yeah. Okay.
Yummy?
Hey, Eliana, you want to finish up that room anytime? How did I get wrecked every single round?
Choose the right answers next time.
Hey, Say. Give me a hug. Give me a hug.
I'm about to go get Salish, but this closet has been transformed into a spa with a jacuzzi.
Stray string.
Salish, your room is ready!
Yes!
Yes! I quit! I quit! I quit! I know I said I quit!
Salish!
Okay, go see your room!
Yay!
Can't wait to see this room.
Thank you!
Wait, you need to look
Oh my
around.
gosh, this looks so good. I don't even know where to start.
I even had your Barbie pop reveal in there.
Oh my gosh, I love them. They're so cute. I think my dad is still showering, but thank you so much, Dad, and I'm really sorry you had to get messy, but this is the best surprise ever.
My family and I just bought one of these 5 homes. Today, my daughter Salish and I will tour each one and challenge the Anazala family to guess which is our new home.
So if we don't get the home right, we're gonna get this whole slime dumped on our heads.
Now me. First home, a brand new RV.
An RV?
That's so beautiful.
Is that Malibu?
Come on, guys, let me show you our new home. I'm so excited because I've always wanted to live in an
RV. Oh, but actually I could kind of see that with Salish.
Now remember, we're gonna see 5 homes today and we are only going to be telling you the truth about one of them. The rest of the time, we're faking it. We love to travel and we've always dreamed of taking our home wherever we go, and now we can do it.
Normally in road trips, I just listen to music, but in this RV, I can watch TV the whole trip.
Yo, that's kind of like their house style now that they live in. Like they like the dark brown colors.
This fridge is so cool. Look how big it is. I can keep all my acai bowls in here and it will be perfect.
She did a side eye, like she was lying. When Salish left, she's like, and it puts all my stuff in the fridge. Oh, wait, what if this is like a summertime purchase?
Oh, did he say that I was gonna buy whatever
Because
house?
summer's coming up and they're thinking about like doing a road trip.
How many times did I tell you we should go on a road trip?
You told me, you don't even know how to drive a normal car to drive an RV.
Honey, you can't even ride a bike.
California has this amazing law that allows you to park an RV or van almost anywhere and stay as long as you want. We can go anywhere in California!
Okay,
Okay.
that was a little too much screaming. Something tells me he's trying to oversell it.
We're not being slimed, Jordans. You're not gonna fool us with this.
This is a primary bedroom.
Honestly, I really love this RV.
It's actually way nicer than I had thought.
2 years ago, we moved from New York to LA, and at that time, Salish and Hudson only ever lived in one house. So we have been obsessing over finding the perfect home for them to spend the rest of their teenage years.
He said the rest of their teenage years.
In an RV.
No, now we
In
know.
an RV.
And now we
But yo, you do understand, if we're wrong, we're gonna get slimed. So let's just not mess this one up.
I still cannot get over the fact that there's a toilet inside this vehicle. That's so cool.
She did not think that was cool. She's probably like, Dad, like why would I want to be in a moving vehicle with a toilet?
This is perfect for me doing my laundry, my mom doing everybody else's laundry because, I mean, my dad and my brother don't do their laundry because they're a little lazy.
That reminds me of somebody.
When we toured the RV, this was probably my favorite part. Look, then you just hold the button and climb up. You're on it.
She didn't need anybody to help her do it. That means she already toured it and she knows how everything works.
Yes.
If they bought this for a road trip, we're going.
Yep.
I don't snore,
Yeah, you do.
but if I did, I'd sleep in here. Oh! Say a little help, you gotta unlatch this to get me. No, say, no!
All right, Dad, I'm going to bed.
I don't snore! Okay, I snore.
I don't know about Salish. She has gymnastics, she has school.
It's a nice RV, but I don't know about...
The only way he got it if it's just for the summer.
Hudson can't join us right now because he's in New York City doing a surprise video, but he had something very important to say.
All right, so I hear you're trying to guess which house we're moving into. I'm here in New York City shooting a video. However, I did want to give you a hint. We are moving to a...
Are you kidding me? Right when the horns... They're definitely messing with us.
Yep, they are.
I hope that helps. Good luck.
Hi. Welcome to our neighborhood. You know, we just moved in, so this is our new backyard. I just wanted to welcome you to our new home. If you ever want a cup of coffee, you can come in, absolutely.
She's probably a paid actor.
She probably owns the RV.
Look at Salish's face.
Ah.
Ew.
Not a nature girl. Maybe we'll park in a city next time. Woo! This is David. After an extensive search, he was able to find us the perfect RV home. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Lauren is gonna love the coach. I know State loves it already. And you guys pick a good one.
Yeah, right, bro. He looked so uncomfortable saying that, like Jordan forced him to. Jordan's like, you're doing great, just keep going.
So what do you think, Asala? I know you loved your RV trip. Did we buy one?
They might have gotten it if they're going on a summer trip.
Yeah, I don't see them living there for the rest of their life.
This is really hard because each family member is so different in style and taste, so how could they all agree on one house?
Next house, Venice Beach.
Wow.
That's on the beach. If they actually got this house, I'm gonna be there every week.
I know Jordan, he loves beaches. That would be amazing.
First of all, just look at the new view of our home. Look at this.
It's so pretty.
This is crazy. We will wake up every morning and hearing the ocean waves crashing. I'm so excited.
He's actually excited for this one.
Yo,
Jordan!
This might be the house.
Hi, we just moved in. We're gonna have a house party in like a week. You're welcome to be here. These are all my neighbors now.
I don't don't know.
He's trying to oversell it now. Jordan, you're trying to oversell it.
Imagine we didn't get this house and everybody shows up for a house party that doesn't exist. Or did we get the house? Did we? Didn't we? I don't know.
Come on, let's go.
How do you remember if we get it wrong, we're getting slimed? Dude, this house is
Actually nice.
We've had so many incredible memories on the beach together, us.
Aww, that's so cute.
She was so cute. Oh my god.
I see them buying this house.
She was so cute. Look at her legs.
I was not cute.
Okay. All this furniture isn't ours. This is staged by the realtor since we just bought it. They haven't even moved it out yet. When we do our official house tour, you'll see our furniture in here.
Only a person who bought a house would say something like that. Honey, remember, there's 3 more houses. So let's not jump to conclusions right now, okay? Remember the slime.
Look at how good this view is.
This is actually a really nice house, and I feel like it fits them. So I'm leaning towards like that they actually got this.
This would be perfect for men's gymnastics. Look, and this could be like a bar for kicks and kicks, more kicks, more kicks, more kicks. It's good for kicks.
And Salish loves gymnastics, and the fact that she brought it up in this house, it makes me feel like she's emotionally attached to the house.
When we moved to LA 3 years ago, the thing I said is like, one day, if we're really lucky, we can live on the beach and hear the waves. And that day is now. And it's just, I feel so lucky, really.
He's gonna cry.
No, you're not.
He's gonna cry.
Wait, I want to see tears. If you did not get this house, you should get an Oscar.
The thing that actually might have sold me on this house, other than the beach itself, is this awesome coffee maker. I really like coffee.
He would want to save on Starbucks. He definitely got the house because it has that built-in.
There's this nice living space in the center where you can just chill. Salish and I often like to sit around and have really sweet conversations and talk about our emotions. Say I love you. Like that. If you live in LA, you know how rare it is to have a basement, but this house actually has one. It's right here. I can't show it to you because it's being renovated, but this is what it's gonna look like. A home gym! Wow! If you've watched any of our videos, you know how often we are on the beach. This was 10 steps from our house. Honestly, if you live in LA and then you live on the beach, you couldn't be luckier. And I am so grateful that we are here. We literally closed this deal on the house yesterday.
I believe him.
I believe you.
This is my parents' bedroom, obviously. They have a really nice view of the beach. It's even nicer than the one downstairs. This is so nice.
What doesn't this house have?
I want this house. If you're not getting it, I want it.
I've heard that Ariana Grande has a beach house and it's this one.
They live next to Ariana Grande?
Jordan?
Jordan, me and you are gonna be so close. We're gonna be BFFs. Salish, you know my number.
Look at my parents' closet. They can fit so many clothes in this. I think I kind of want to organize it for them without telling them.
The most incredible thing about this house actually...
Yeah, enough talking. Come on, Sandy. Let me show you my room. Obviously, this is the most important part of the house. It's my room. We're gonna feel in 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! Okay, so this is my room. Whoa, wait, Sandy, you're still not allowed in. Sorry. Okay, so this is my room.
That's what I was waiting for. Is she gonna let anyone in or not? If she didn't let anyone in, it means that it is their house.
That's a good point.
Yes.
I am so lucky to be able to live in this kind of room. It's really nice. I love it so much. I'm really excited to start decorating it. I'm gonna pick the things that I really want to change about this room so I don't have to spend too much of my money. If you guys want to see a whole video of me customizing my room, hit the like button.
It feels like they're trying to get us to get used to the house because they bought it.
Or they're trying to trick us so you could get slime.
This is Catherine, she's the realtor. We've been working like for months together to try and find a house. Like probably every house in LA she's shown us.
This one, just with the kids, with Say and Hudson just being able to run on the beach, they were so excited.
They bought it! Oh my God! Yeah, she looks real. They got it.
Say and I are going to an event for the new Barbie movie, and I made a choice with my clothing that we'll see what she thinks.
I have to pick a dress, so can you guys help me? There's this dress. It's really pretty. It has like sparkles on it. This is just a plain white dress. I feel like the silver is just like a little too formal, so ta-da! I really like it. It's pretty simple. I just hope my dad looks good too.
What is he wearing?
What? They look like Malibu living kind of vibe.
So what do you think, Asala? Is this our house?
Mimi, hey, do you think Salish would like to live here?
Yeah!
Mila, remember, we'll be slimed if this was wrong. Are you sure?
Yes, Dad, she would love to.
Okay, let's see.
Next house, LA suburb.
Oh,
I'm really excited to show you guys.
Oh, I love this house!
Okay, wait. I love the kitchen because I like the layout and I really like the wood. I like the sink because our current sink, it's way too tall, so I have to be on my tippy toes every time I do dishes.
So in the last two houses, it looked like she was acting, but this one she's talking like her words are rolling out of her mouth like it's on her own.
I really like the stove. It has 6 stovey things. So you make your pancakes, whatever. You eat your pancakes, obviously, because what else are you gonna do with them?
I feel like she's really thinking about everything in details and envisioning what's gonna happen in the house. She seems so excited.
For all the dads out there, if you're anything like me, you would be using this grill every day. I love to grill, always grilling, always cooking for the family.
I've never seen him cook a day in his life.
You know how to, no? Okay, I'll let Hudson grill. Yeah.
This is the family room. You sit on the couch, you got your remote, and you put your feet up. If I'm tall enough, and you watch TV. The house we're living in right now has a fireplace, but we never use it.
She's detailing every single piece of this house. She knows exactly where it is. She's running directly towards it. She knows this
Well,
house.
I mean, that was every house so far.
Hey, let's go to the next room.
This is the main house. But now let me show you my office. It's not part of the main house, right? Completely separate from everybody else, and they've all decided this is where I need to be. You know why? Because I'm a loud guy. This isn't our furniture, it's stage furniture. When we move in, obviously we're gonna invite you guys back in to show you what we did with the house, but I'm thinking a desk right here.
I would actually be more excited for this house than the last house.
But I think he was way more excited and emotional for house number 2.
Is Say still doing the house tour? She is so jazzed up about this house.
The backyard is pretty big. The number one thing I want in the backyard is a built-in trampoline. That's just like a lot prettier from like a regular trampoline, so I really hope we can get one.
She loves the backyard, and the last house didn't have a backyard.
You're right. There's only beach.
And I know, they wouldn't want something that doesn't have a backyard. They have one dog, and I know they would care for grass and all the things that matter.
Every house we've looked at has had a beautiful view, except this one. What do you think? Do you think the view matters a lot to us?
Oh, wait, let me think about this one.
I think they care about view.
I think he was tricking us.
This bedroom is way too nice for us, but look.
Oh, wow.
That's so beautiful.
This house is really, really nice. Like, it's extremely nice.
I want to buy this house.
But what's even more ridiculous is the closet.
No! Give me the keys.
Easy.
Jordan, you wear the same thing every day. You have one black shirt. Why would you need this closet?
Maybe it's for Lauren.
Love you, Lauren. It has an elevator too!
This is ridiculous.
When you're done with this video, make sure to check out Dads versus Daughters on the Anazawa Family channel. You're going down.
You're going down. Time to show you my room.
Mimi, come check.
Oh, look at Salish's room.
So like when I wake up, I see like that. Or, so I put my bed here, so when I wake up.
She did let someone else come into the room. Sandy was in the room there filming, and she would not let him usually do that.
When I was growing up, I moved like literally every year, and I long for a home of my own somewhere in the suburbs, and that's exactly what Hudson and Salish are gonna get now when we move into this new house.
He said somewhere in the suburbs, that's what he's wanted all his life. Why would he make something up like that?
He's trying to trick you so you could get slimed.
Do you think he's tricking us, or is this the house that they got?
I think Salish would like that.
I still think it's number 2.
You guys are obviously seeing how enthusiastic Salish is about this house. You think she could fake that?
The fact that he said that sounds like he wants me to think they got this house.
Boomer's making himself right at home.
Boomer!
They brought their dog?
Brought Boomer.
This is a brand new house that was just built, and it was made really energy efficient, which is very important to us.
It is brand new.
Dude, he does not look like a realtor. He looks like Superman. He looks like an actor.
I'm so excited for you and Lauren, making memories, building memories in this home.
The face he gave, that was like pure acting.
Someone bought this house, was it us?
It does say sold. He's probably playing with us.
So what do you think?
Is this our new house?
I'm leaning to this house more.
I'm leaning beach house, number 2.
Next house, a castle in the Hollywood Hills.
What? No way they got that. No way. If you guys actually got this house, I'm questioning our friendship.
This is the most unique house we will ever live in.
Listen, if you guys actually got this house, I'd like drink this stuff, whatever this is.
Come on, let's go to our new castle house.
This is the most unique house I've ever been in, much less own. Would I buy this house, Asala? Would I?
No, you wouldn't.
Oh my God. Mila, do you think Salish would like to live in a castle like a princess?
Maybe.
There's a really beautiful story about why this castle was built. A man was dating a woman and she said to him, "If you build me a castle, I'll marry you." So he did in the middle of the Hollywood Hills, and then they got married, which is such a romantic story. They got divorced, but we don't have to talk about that part.
I think Lauren will divorce you, Jordan, to get her this house.
This is the couch, right?
Oh, ba-da-ba-ba-ba, I'm loving it. That's what this living room looks like.
I need to find my room and Hudson's room. No, I don't think it would be my room because I don't really love the tile.
So in the last house, she knew where her room was, but in this house, she doesn't even know anything. Yeah, she's not selling this.
This could totally be Hudson's room. The high windows, the big bed.
Okay,
No,
Salish,
no.
you did not.
I'm not feeling Salish on this one. No. I don't see them buying this, but I could see them renting it for a party or something.
Or for a video.
And of course the castle has, what do I call this? Castle-y art?
And the staircase.
This is the first property we looked at through Jordan and Lauren's house hunting.
She's not even dressed like a realtor. She's wearing a tank top and jeans. So.
You are the best realtor. One house and done. Or Sala, is this maybe a friend of the family?
Jordan, let's move on, bro.
Even the lady doesn't look convinced. Okay, so this is the final house. I think for now I'm still set on number 3.
I'm number 2.
The final house is in the mountains.
Whoa! This is beautiful.
One of my favorite features about this house.
They even have golf in this house? This is an insane house.
That doesn't count. With a yard like this, it's almost too easy to do gymnastics.
This backyard is amazing.
That's not even the backyard, that's the front yard.
Of all the houses we've shown you, this one absolutely has the most property and the most privacy. So if you think that's important to us, this is obviously the house we picked.
I've never had a hot tub in my house, but this is so cool. I could fit all of my friends in here.
Even though I seem high energy all the time, I actually really love peace and quiet, and this house on the top of a mountain gives me exactly that. What do you think? Is that true?
I don't know if that's true, but I think this is a really nice house.
We don't have any neighbors! Okay, we have one neighbor. The owners are moving out, so there's some packing being done right now. Very quick tour. This is the living room. This is my bedroom!
That's nice. Every morning. Honestly, this house does look like a potential.
This looks like them.
I have to pick my seat, so, okay. No. Maybe. No. I think this one, Mom, what do you think?
That's a good one. I want one with lots of elbow room.
Lauren is there!
The fact that they brought Lauren for this house only?
They're living there.
So wait, that means house number 3 wasn't it? Maybe they brought her to throw us off.
As you see, they're packing everything up, but check it out. We go through the living room and into the kitchen.
Wow.
That's a nice kitchen. It actually reminds me of the vibe in their current house.
I think they'd like something like that. You guys, this could be it.
Do you like this house? Isn't it so pretty? What's your favorite part?
We've been talking about converting this into a game room. Ping pong table there, this view, a little soda machine over there, and maybe popcorn. I don't know, but it'll be awesome. The person who introduced me to the owner is Dar Man. They're good friends apparently, and Dar is on the phone right now.
Do you love it or do you love it?
Love it.
The fact that Darman is on FaceTime and telling him, that means they were serious about this house.
I'm not too sure. Dar is really good at acting. He literally owns a whole acting corporation, babe.
I'm so excited for you guys, and the best part is you're even closer to me now, so I can see you guys all the time.
We're like almost next door neighbors.
Congrats again.
Thank you so much.
So Sala, is this really my friend's house, or am I just messing with you?
We're gonna live here together.
Wow. What a beautiful backyard.
This is insane.
I'm gonna push you real quick.
No!
Here we go.
No.
Oh, just like old time.
I'm not your baby anymore, Dad.
Cue the thing.
No, don't cue the thing.
Oh, I really don't want Mila to grow up like that.
Don't do that graphic.
No, leave it, Sandy. Leave it.
Go!
I'm not gonna lie, this house gave me really good vibes. I don't know if it's Jordan's speech that sold it, but I don't know, I felt really good. I felt warm, I felt love, I felt it all in this one.
If we didn't buy this house, why? It's perfect.
Okay, honey. Now it's time for the final decision.
Oh my gosh.
You have seen 5 homes, and we would be incredibly lucky to live in any one of them.
All 5 were amazing, but only one of them felt like home.
And we will put the links in the description for all the homes we
Dad,
didn't
come on,
buy.
just tell them
Okay, I'll tell them. But first, you have to make your decision. Do it right now.
Let's eliminate first.
Okay,
4, it's not it, right?
100%.
It's not 1 either. I don't think they're gonna live in an RV. So we have 3 left. 2, 3, and 5.
Ah, that's hard.
I think it's gonna be... I think it's gonna be the beach house.
Just to clarify, I have no idea which house they got. I think 2 makes sense because they love the beach.
And Jordan was very emotional.
They were emotional.
Like, he cried.
They put playbacks of Salish when she was young. Jordan would get house number 2. Lauren and all of you might get house number 5, but I also know Jordan thinks maybe it's too big for them. And then 3, I personally think Salish was the most connected to house number 3. It feels homey, it's suburban.
I think it's 2. 3, 2, 1, go.
3.
Whoever gets it wrong gets slime, but if we're both wrong, we're both slime, okay? Okay, so now let's watch.
And for the big reveal, our new house is...
Number 3!
No way, actually?
We are so excited. This is our dream home, and we look forward to sharing with you for many years to come.
You almost made me pick 2 with you. Congrats on house number 3! Ah! Oh my goodness. We love you guys so much. Subscribe, like, share. There's a little bit more.
Why didn't you buy the beach house?
Today I'm competing against famous photographer Mark Singerman to see who can go more viral. We each have 10 minutes, an incredible performer, and a California sunset. Hello everyone, I have been reading your comments, and when I ask you what kind of video you want to see, more than anything you ask for a 10-minute photo challenge. I haven't done a lot of them lately because I thought maybe I did too many, but you guys said you're interested, so I'm doing it this week because I love doing them. Now if you want to see more of them, I need you to like and share this video. If this video gets 100,000 likes and 50,000 shares, I will drop another 10-minute photo challenge. I hope you enjoy it. This is one of my favorite ones. Have a great day. The loser, the winner, loser, winner, loser, winner. I'm really competitive. I do not want to lose to Mark, so I'm just gonna take as many photos as I possibly can for 10 minutes and see what sticks.
I'm gonna shoot maybe 2 or 3 photos, but I'm gonna put a lot of time and energy into each one.
I am super pumped to do this. When I say go, we go. Wait, you brought props? You brought props? This is totally unfair. I'm taking a prop. I'm taking a prop. Okay, now I am really super pumped to do this. Got my prop. When I say, ow, actually, I just want to say my back really hurts right now. Look, I'm not even joking. You see this? My back really hurts. Okay, now I'm super, super pumped. When I say go, wait, we don't have the timer. We got Tina, and Tina is a subscriber. So if you subscribe right now and you hit the like and you share this video, you might be next. Her daughter, Monica, is gonna be my timer. We get 10 minutes to get the most awesome shots and to go viral. I love you, but you're going down, but give me a hug, because here it is, here it is. It's a little hug. This is gonna be fun. Are you ready? Are you feeling the pressure? No. You feel good? I feel good. 1, 2, 3, go! Look at my first shot. Go get him. Yeah, we already set it up because I really want to win.
So you do contortion, right? Okay. All right, we definitely have to gotta beat them. So we're gonna go over here.
Oh yes, go again, just like that. Watch out, Alex, you're in the shot. Oh my gosh, this is so gorgeous. One more for fun. Mark, I already won it. I already won just with that photo.
Can you put your feet on your head?
Yes,
like laying on your stomach, put your feet on your head? Yeah. I have an idea. You cool with glitter? Because
you're right here. Jog like you're, you know, jogging. Do a split leap, really beautiful. What leg goes back? Okay, so you're gonna wanna be, let's have you right here.
We're gonna see if you can put your chin on your hands and then feet over.
Okay, wait, so feet like here?
Yeah.
Oh God, that hurt. Okay, and go. Ponytail, ponytail. Nobody, oh God, this is gonna take time. This is gonna take time. A little quicker. You know we're in a rush. Okay, go. Yes, one more.
Then I think I'm gonna get some rose petals. You can chill, like Jordan's the one running around. We're actually gonna be.
Look at them, they're like working up a sweat over here and then we're relaxing.
Last time, 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, Mark, you're going down there. Ah, okay, a little help, Monica. A little help, pick me up, pick me up. A little help, you know, with both of them. You gotta get me up. Okay, that didn't work out. Okay, only reason I would lose. Only reason. Way to go, you're 2 for 2. We're gonna kill him. He's going down. Let's go check out what he's doing. What are you doing? Oh.
We're having
really nice.
Having a good old time.
Oh, can I borrow some of that?
No, this is my prop actually. You stole my umbrella already.
Oh, umbrella, thank you for reminding me. Come on, let's do an umbrella shot.
Yeah, well, what a thief.
All right, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna take a really beautiful picture. Well, let's put it this way. I'm gonna scream, and then you do something beautiful, and I'll take credit, okay?
Close your eyes. Chin
Very
higher.
precise.
Yes, very precise. We're like magicians here. Lean back if you can.
All the way.
Yep. Keep your mouth closed. Perfect. Do not open your eyes.
Good to know.
The whole world will look sparkly forever.
Monica, have you ever watched the videos? What do you think? Do you like them? Is it cool to be watching it like this? Yeah, I think so too. Okay, ready? Go. One more, and go. Yeah! My God, that's beautiful. What do you think?
Looks good. Looks good to me.
Okay. Can't feel the glitter, but I know it's there.
No, it's definitely there. Let's try to do.
He's going down! I've lost my mind a little. That's Sandy, by the way.
Okay, that's good. And then I'm gonna put some on your feet too when you do this, when you do the foot thing. So give me 1 sec to take a little test shot here.
Oh, roses.
Yep. We'll do it step by step.
That's magic!
Oh, wow.
Hey, Mark, I'm gonna take the rest of the day off because I just destroyed you! It's been a while, you know, since we've done like an authentic 10-minute challenge, lots of photos. This is so much fun. This is why we do it.
Don't forget to like this video if you want to see a rematch after we win.
You think we're gonna win?
For sure.
I think we gotta go down to the ocean and get some cool photos.
Can you put your hand?
Take your time walking back there. Take your time, there's no rush. I'm going to flip out because this person's walking slowly and can't be in the background, so I'm gonna flip out.
Is it good?
Nice. Yeah, good.
Okay, I think we're good.
Go. Okay. Okay, ouch. Okay, here we go. Good, go. Okay, I think I got it. Oh my God, I want to cry. I seriously want to cry with how beautiful you are as a dancer. You are so good.
Good job. Okay.
Awesome.
Let's go. Let's go
very
to
relaxing.
Can I have a picture with you?
Yes, you can have a picture with me, but you gotta do me one thing. Tell the camera thumbs up.
Give it a thumbs up.
Give it a thumbs up. Share this video if you want a part 2. We're kind of in the middle of a 10-minute challenge.
You know what, let's just
Pick up the
focus.
pace. Isn't this what they're supposed to be doing? The running thing?
Probably.
Excuse me, can I borrow your football for a photo?
How much time do we have?
Blaze, you go that way, you're gonna catch this pass. And go. Okay, hold on.
I think it's too dark under the pier.
Okay, we'll have to just do something here then.
Let's just wing it.
Okay.
One more, that was beautiful last time. Really whack it, and go. Okay, I think I got it. Thank you so much. We're gonna win this thing. I will not lose to him. I'm not losing to him.
I'm gonna have you do your pose like where the water kind of comes up.
What kind of pose? Like an elbow stand?
The elbow stand, yeah.
Make me go viral. If I lose with this light in this dancer, I'm just retiring.
I love it. Can you hold that? Perfect.
Let me see it, go for it. Oh gosh. Oh my gosh, yes, yes. Got it. Oh, and she's down. I'm using this.
Are you okay?
I only have 1 minute. Come on.
I feel bad for her. She looks cold.
At least you didn't make me go into water that much.
Right there.
I'm okay.
You're okay? You're good, right? It's fine.
No, it's fine.
Okay, hold it high. Really high.
You know, we did a 6-shot with her and the whacking of the hair. Let's see if we can make it better. Okay, get your hair soaking wet. And go.
We gotta get in the water. I need you to hold it like half above the water.
You don't have to leap. Just whack it, don't leap. Ready, go. Go.
Right now, put it in. Love it. Awesome, okay. I got it. I think we good.
Ready, set, go. Oh, yes!
I don't know what he's doing with that shot, but it better turn out good.
That is totally sick, look. I know!
Time is up.
Time is up.
That's a dope photo. Ah! Who's gonna go more viral? Let's find out right now. We all know his photo's gonna be better, but I'll tell you what, if I go more viral, $100 to a subscriber.
I'm a subscriber.
We each selected one image for the competition, and the winning photographer is me! I completely disagree. Mark took 2 incredible photos. Gage Johnson is the winning subscriber for the $100 giveaway. Congratulations, Gage. Subscribe right now, and you could be next. No kid. Whoa, let's do a photo right now. She's a subscriber, and she's dope, so she's getting a photo right now. You never know, people. Yes, yes. Wow. Yes, beautiful. Yeah, and you just don't know subscribers, so hit that subscribe button, share, like this video. I'm gonna pass out. I love all of you. Thank you for subscribing. We are in the middle of 6th Avenue and we're gonna do a 10-minute photo challenge with Jeremy. This isn't gonna be hard. Ready? Tio, go. We're gonna start with a bus stop. Go right on the top, on the top. Oh my God, this is great, hold it. Go, in a tilt, you're just waiting. That's perfect, hold it. One shot down. Thank you so much. Can I give you a fist pound? Thank you, that was nice of you. Sorry folks, you can have your seat back, sorry. Okay, number 2, let's go this way. Go buy Jeremy an ice cream, an ice cream. He's allergic to ice cream, buy him a sorbet. Okay, go. Wow, one more. Go. Bam, that's 2, what time is it? Jeremy, let's go play basketball, come on. We're gonna do that in a second. Come here, grab that. You know what? Do a jump and read it like in a Firebird. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Do the Firebird, go. Next, we're gonna go play basketball. Let's play basketball. Can I get a photo of him playing basketball with you? He's a dancer, he's gonna jump high. Do you guys mind? I'm so sorry, it's just gonna be 2 minutes. Can I borrow your basketball? All right, you're gonna be here, you jump when he jumps. Okay, you wanna get right up on him like you're gonna block his shot? Cool, okay, wait, go. Good, one more, and we're done. Thank you, my friend. 4 minutes down. 4 minutes down, 6 minutes left. Oh, subway. Subway, let's go in the subway. There's a subway right here. Do a back bend under this, like you're trying to sneak under. Hold on, go. Get lower. That's awesome. That's funny. Let's go find something else. Oh, we've got an ice cream. Okay. Oh, you gotta be eating that in a straddle. Don't eat it yet? Okay, that's a prop. He's eating the props. Let's go back to the ice cream place. Rock out to that. Oh, money. Money, I need money, money, I need money. Keep the five. Hold on, can I give you this? Yes. Okay, ready? Go. Where's Grace? Get in there and start dancing. One more. Go. Let's eat ice cream. Okay. Gotta give him the money. That would be brutal if we didn't give him the money. Thank you, sir. How much time? 2 minutes left. Okay. Stand on this. Yuck. Ugh. Go. Yes, just keep doing it. That was it. Okay. We got about 45 seconds left. Can he pet your dog, please? We're gonna see if this happens. Okay, go ahead. You want to kiss him on the forehead. Go. He doesn't want that. Let's try it one more time. All right, that's how much time do we have? 20 seconds. Just do something incredible. I'm gonna put you in the sky. Go. Time. Woo! I have no idea how much we got, but I will say this. This kid rocks, does he not rock? Do you know what he just did in 10 minutes? In 10 minutes, this kid did like 7 different incredible dance poses. Way to go. Bam! That was awesome. Thank you. They're delicious. Oh my God. Go quick. Ready? TikTok on there.
Oh my God.
Good. Are you ready? Hello everyone, I am with Charlie D'Amelio and we're going to do TikTok dares, yeah! All right everyone, before we get started with this adventure in Grand Central Station, I just want to say that like many of you, I am pretty much stuck in my house all the time right now. Fortunately, my kids are very motivated to do their schoolwork all the time.
This is greater than trophies and saluted flags.
Now this video that you're about to see with Charli D'Amelio was shot way before anyone was staying home. That's why you see the crowds, the selfies, all that stuff. This video is all about TikToks, but we are not allowed to use the original music in this video, so I have a challenge for you. Watch the whole video and see how many of the original songs you can guess. List them all on the community tab, and whoever guesses the most gets a shout out in the next video. Remember, subscribe, hit that bell, stay safe, and enjoy this video. Come here. I dare you to get up on this counter and do Renegade. Go, right now, I dare you.
Okay.
Watch your head.
That's great. That was scary.
That was scary. Okay, cool.
I'm nervous.
Are you ready? Why don't you go on top of this bench right here and do TikTok, okay? Okay. Go. Can you? But we're gonna break some rules. All right, are you ready? Charli, I think we should just go for it. So we're gonna have you go up on this. You can't really break any rules in the subway, so I thought this would be a good safe bet. Can you show? Let's go. 3, 2, 1. We gotta get out of here. I'll get you a taxi.
Okay. Okay.
I want you to go put on a pair of glasses, come right to the... We're gonna make it. We're gonna make it. Got it now by my side, ain't no way that you can fade it. Listen, you can hold me down. You can hold me down. Thank you. Okay, that's awesome. If you like it, I like it. Girls, do you want to be in a YouTube video, Charli? Cool. That looked really cool to me. That was awesome.
Oh, it's so nice to meet you guys. Thank you for being in my video.
I don't like breaking the rules, but I did it.
You did it, and you were insanely awesome. Way to go. Listen, give us 50,000 likes. We will do a part 2.
We are not doing a part 2. No, never again. Never. Nope.
We're not doing a part 2, so enjoy this, because then it's over.
We're out.
I want her to shop and TikTok. Okay. Yeah, and you're TikToking, and you're grabbing things and going while you're TikToking. Does that sound cool?
Okay.
Like how TikTokers shop. There you go.
Better than you would think it was.
That really well.